look who we have with us.
Untriggered without Amin Jazz. It feels a little weird just saying that,
Miss
bro.
you.
Like just saying that it felt a little weird.
Yeah, man. Damn.
Yeah, but why Drew and Sheena?
Bro, I'm in Jazz's sasta replacement.
भाई गोरे को बिठाना था हमने काम कर दिया भाई.
See, we
We
decided.
just had to get a white dude in there for
उठा
That's
लिया
too
गली
funny.
से कहीं पे खोज
Yeah,
के.
yeah. yeah.
बस एक ही क्राइटेरिया था, गोरा होना चाहिए, हिंदी आना चाहिए.
हाँ,
Yeah.
उतना
Like
तो
done,
आती है.
bro.
For
We
our
have
market.
We
चलेगा,
have one
चलेगा.
Gora who
Sitting
speaks
also
Hindi.
there only.
Yeah, of course.
That's crazy.
Why do you think we
placement
maintain the
was
same positions,
That's
bro?
so
strategic?
cute.
Nothing
The
has.
guest sits here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amin and I sit here.
The
Yeah.
Gora
Guest is
sits
there.
here.
Yeah, the Gora
But
sits
after
here.
7 episodes also I'm a guest.
Of course, bro.
नहीं भाई, bro, 8th
Shame on
This
you.
is your 8th episode.
Yeah.
8
For
time.
him.
8
Seventh
time
or eighth,
untriggered,
I
भाई.
think.
I
I've
think it's
lost
8.
count.
The
But
dedicated.
And Drew's second, भाई. You guys are the only people who have managed to come again.
Yeah.
Just I'm just saying.
Made it, bro.
I don't know.
अब तो लाइफ में कुछ हो रहा है भाई.
Are they the first recurring guest?
Yes. और
I
कौन है
am
भाई?
also-
शीना के अलावा.
Sheena though has been like she's
Sheena के
an
अलावा कौन
unofficial
है?
part of this.
I
At this
thought
point.
she was a member.
Yeah,
Yeah,
a lot
exactly,
of people do
exactly.
think
She
that.
is. She is.
Because
also.
even the other day we had gone out and then someone like came up to me and they're like, oh hi, and then they saw her next to me. They're like, oh, we thought you're Sheena, but we weren't too sure if it was you. Till the
lot-
time they didn't see the two of us standing next to
Bro,
each
a
other.
lot of time this happens. Like if someone meets me, then they just kind of assume that y'all are around.
Yeah.
They're like, oh hi, yeah, I know you. Oh, are they also around? And I'm like,
Yeah.
yeah. Sometimes when y'all are, I'm like, yeah, they're right there.
Yeah.
It's
Go
quite
look for
cute.
them.
Yeah, go find.
So what
Oh.
have you both been up to?
Wow, I quit my job.
Bro,
This
Sheena's-
was the last episode also, I think. Na, you mentioned.
शीना
That's
के
still okay.
लाइफ में कितना कुछ
Okay.
हुआ है भाई. Like we've learned about Sheena's life throughout this 8
I have
episodes.
grown with this podcast.
Yeah, bhai.
Wow, it's like my own keeping up with the Kardashians.
Is it?
Kind of.
Is that what you guys are
Word
going for
believe.
here?
No, it's nobody's
A
story for
reality, a
this.
reality show.
No, but अरे क्या मतलब I'm not like I'm just chilling. I've been taking things slow.
Mhm.
We've been taking things here and there everywhere, and it's been fun. हाँ ना?
I guess.
है ना?
I don't know. I don't know how to, but not much, yeah. It's quite peaceful. It's nice. I'm at home a lot. I feel like I realized just last week with how hot it is outside that
Oh,
being
dude.
able to stay at home
हाँ, is the
It's a
biggest
privilege, bro.
fucking
and not worry
Not
about like
blessed,
getting to a
right?
job, going to
Yeah.
like an office.
yeah.
Dude, that's such a huge privilege. I can't
Yeah.
believe I get to like just sit at home and like
And then you wonder why people hate on you, bro. When they watch this,
No,
you're
I'm
sitting and
saying
flexing the fact that you sit at home in the AC.
Unemployed life is the
I
best
don't have
though.
an AC in my room actually.
You don't have an AC
I don't
here?
have an AC in my
In
room.
Bombay.
Yeah.
That's impossible.
Arey
I
yaar.
swear, I don't have an AC in my room.
I feel like that levels things out in some way.
Suddenly
bro.
she's
Yeah.
poor.
Bro, I was like, see, listen, I did the math.
मेरा भी झोपड़ी में लेकिन एसी है यार. मैं भी गरीब हूँ भाई. But मेरे पास एसी है भाई.
मैं ना अमीर हूँ ना गरीब हूँ. I'm just saying कि I recognize my privilege, but I also don't have AC.
Yeah.
So
Chalo.
do what you will with that information.
But your heart is in the right place, so that's good.
It always is.
Speaking of your heart in the right place, Sheena,
Yeah.
where is it right now?
तेरा
Every time you
तेरा
come,
दिल तेरा
bro,
दिल कहीं
The
बहका
recurring
है.
theme of every
so,
episode.
So have you
Yeah.
watched her episodes with her?
Yeah, well, I'm confused because 1 minute breakup होती है फिर पता नहीं podcast के like बीच में
During
फिर
suddenly she gets a message and
bro.
she's with someone new.
Whoa.
It's
कुछ
not
तो
even
चलते
every
रहता है भाई.
podcast. It's
Exactly.
like
fucking word.
throughout the podcast.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
तो बताओ शीना क्या चल रहा है?
My heart is with me. It's safe.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm
Oh,
taking
bro.
care of it.
Yeah, best place to be.
I'm very like careful of who
questionable.
I want to give it to now.
Hmm.
That's where I'm at. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
giving
been-
it to someone, I
Yeah.
think there should be some thought
Yeah.
before you
Yeah.
give it
Also,
to
I
someone.
don't think I want to take anyone's heart.
You don't
Are
have
we
to.
still talking about a heart over here?
Yes, we are. I am taking things. I've done enough damage, I think. So now
Huh.
it's time to just
Heal.
Damage repair.
relax
thoda.
a little bit.
You have the
Yeah.
untriggered audience's heart though. That's what matters. Or maybe they have your heart.
I don't know.
Oh, हाँ भाई. Maybe.
Or
Everyone-
maybe they hate you from what you've said.
I don't know. But like for the first time, this is actually the first time. There's no breakups,
हाँ.
nothing. But I'm here. So that's
Your life
that's
is just
cute.
going.
It's just going. समझ ही नहीं आ रहा bro. आधा साल खत्म हो गया है.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
you're right.
For
We're
real,
in
bro.
May.
And that too like mid-May.
We're
Right.
exactly mid. Like
Yeah.
that's too hectic to think about. Because like, where did half the year go? I don't know. Because I quit my job in Jan, and I was like, I'm gonna take a month, you know, like then I'll get back. I'll like find another job I want to do, whatever. Bro, then I realized I hate working.
Yeah.
I just hate working. Like I was like, oh, maybe my office is bad. I'm burnt out. This that. No, dude, I just hate working. No, I don't want to do office things. Go somewhere.
Yeah.
Open laptop. Hi, kind regards. No.
Emailing stuff.
Yeah, bro. Every morning you're like, minutes of the meeting. Why can't you listen properly? Just listen to what they said. You know?
That's why we're all here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Bro,
not
you
like
skip
the fact
the
that you can
office.
do.
You said
Yeah.
you worked like for 5 years.
Yeah, I was in corporate for 5 years.
That's
What did you do?
He sold insurance, right?
Insurance for like trucking companies.
Oh wow.
You're doing
Yeah, yeah.
scams, basically.
No,
that's
in
not
the
scam.
US it's
Hi.
legit.
In the US, it's
I don't know यहाँ का scene क्या है भाई, but वहाँ पे तो
That's crazy.
Insurance.
yeah, for trucking companies it's good. Yeah, it's hectic but it's good, like because trucking वाला ही सबको उड़ाता है ना bro.
Yeah.
Like that's what
दारू पी के चलाते हैं, bro.
हाँ, दारू क्या भाई,
Yeah.
crystal meth सब चीज भाई, man.
You really didn't know this? Why are you looking so surprised?
I don't know.
Yeah.
All truck drivers are drunk most of the times.
अरे यार US जाओगी ना तो
Yeah.
plane से travel करना, रास्ता से नहीं. Because those
For
truckers
real?
are. I used to deal with
In
guys.
India also?
One guy
In
told
India,
me
also a lot of them drink.
I was doing insurance and this guy goes, I go, I don't think we can insure you, bro, क्योंकि आपका गाड़ी में crystal meth था. तो वो क्या बोलता है? मैं बोला कि भाई आपका driver like meth head है भाई, so like it's not gonna work out. He said, bro, don't worry, he's not a meth head. वो meth नहीं करता, वो बस बेचता है उसको. Man, ठीक है मैं अभी बात करता हूँ बोल देंगे he's just a dealer, don't worry. no big deal. Arrest him. We'll write his policy today.
You sold him insurance, didn't you,
policy, but he's
bastard?
going to jail.
I ended up finding a way to get it to him.
Nice.
That's crazy.
That's the way to do it, bro.
So you were good at your job from what?
Yeah, I
That's
was
crazy.
Yeah, I was successful after like 2-3 years. Like 2 साल के लिए गांड फटती है, but 3-4 साल के बाद थोड़ा बनता है. Like you get a book of business, you also get reoccurring people and everything.
Yeah.
So
Cool shit.
I was good, and then I started making content. And
That's
then
when you were making content also, na? Tabhi? During?
during, but like not until my 4th year.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's
So
also
towards the end of your...
yeah. That also happens to be when my career started to go down. I have no idea why.
That's why you're only getting drug dealing fuckers.
You saw where it's really at, and
Yeah.
then you were like, okay, you know what? Even if this is not going well, it's fine. I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm gonna like actually live my life.
Plus, dude, I was just like, man, I can make a lot of money doing this, but like I spend 9 hours a day away from my family,
Yeah.
and then when I get home, I'm tired
You're
as
too
shit.
tired to do
yeah.
anything.
कुछ
I see.
करने का मन नहीं कर रहा. I'm out of shape. I'm still out of shape, but I'm trying.
But you're
But
happy.
I was really out of shape.
Yeah.
then. Really out of shape.
मतलब you had to let yourself go fully.
Yeah,
कि,
bro.
like,
और
I'm
दारू
just-
पीना पड़ता है भाई. ऑप्शनल नहीं है. बेंचो इंश्योरेंस सेल करना तो दारू पीना like वो रेज्यूमे में लिखा जाती है कि ये करना है भाई.
Why do you have to drink?
वो तो
Dude.
होता है, bro.
My office had a kegerator.
Oh wow.
Like no shit. We have
That's
like
insane,
we had a very like millennial, like the CEO was like 35, you know,
Nice.
so it was
He's like
he's
the Michael
kinda-
Scott. Like he's trying to throw parties in the office.
literally, yeah.
Fucking keg in the office.
Yeah. So we had like, we had kegerators and ping pong tables and
Wow.
bean bags. It was that vibe. It was chill. But गांड फटती थी भाई.
Yeah.
Like काम करना पड़ता था. कितना भी
Of
chill हो,
course.
you know?
Yeah.
So I was just like, bro, like my health is gone, my time for my family is gone, my time for myself is gone. कितना करोगे भाई? है ना?
Yeah, that's true.
Then where did you moved out of Florida, right?
Yeah. So I moved to Thailand
From there straight away.
straight away, bro.
What a
Sold
guy,
all
bro.
my shit, packed it up. I made a decision in 1 month. Me and my wife sat down. We were like, we're fucking doing this. Let's...
That's crazy.
फिर आके वो
Yeah.
then you blew up on Instagram.
Then accidentally I blew up.
Yeah, I remember that video of yours. The one in the pool, na? That was the first one?
No, dude, the first one was one of me and my Korean friend in a car.
Okay.
हाँ, you were talking
Yeah.
shit ना in the car.
Yeah, वो बोलता है कि भाई मैं कैफीन नहीं पीता हूँ क्योंकि बॉडी हिलता है भाई. तो मैं बोला भाई तो इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ये बोलता है मुझे सब जगह नहीं हिलाना है भाई. तो बोला भाई हिला दो भाई, क्या टेंशन है. 8 million views in 1 week.
Wow.
Damn. Two white people saying the word hilalo.
If someone knows,
Yeah, man.
if someone knows how good sex sells, we have a champion right here.
Dude, that's true.
That is.
You
Come on, bro. You also know exactly what we're talking
You're
about.
just
Sex
making me reevaluate my entire life and the choices I've made. That is, I've been here talking about sex and how many times I've broken up with people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is really sad.
Yeah, that day even my mother asked me, bro. She's like, how's that girl, the one who keeps breaking up, the one who comes on your podcast?
I'm sorry,
Oh my
that's the
God.
only way I knew you too.
That is.
I was
Yeah.
just like the girl who comes on with a new breakup.
Every
Yeah.
time.
She's back. Like,
Yo, that's. Oh my god.
but at least आधा घंटा एपिसोड सुने थे.
हाँ,
ये नहीं
see?
कि first 5 minutes सुने.
Nice.
Yeah.
ना?
First
30
आधे
minutes
घंटे में
is-
बस वही चल रहा है ना.
हाँ, कहानी सुन ली है. याद नहीं है but सुने थे.
No, but that's. I think it's. I have so much perspective on people in general because I've broken up so many times.
Mm.
That perspective remains with me.
Yeah. It's like every.
So I'm still the same person. I'm just not breaking up over and over again. So it's, I think.
So
it's
now you're
fine.
just putting yourself through it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm just like, because see now I've truly, I know I've said this, I'm sure I've said this, but
Yeah,
now
you've done
next-
too many
But
episodes.
say it,
bro.
say it
Next
again, okay.
is now Shadi.
Marriage. Huh? Yeah, you said it.
Every
Yeah, that's a
time,
big
bro.
thing.
Every
That's a
time
big
she
thing.
comes, she says that. She'll
Yeah.
say next is
But,
marriage.
From the last time to
Because I
this
want
time,
to get
it's been
married.
consistent. Last time
Oh,
ये बोला था.
twice
is-
she said it in a row.
Yeah, twice in a row.
Fuck, bro, that's.
Because I want to like just now it's time, bro. Like,
Did you know Drew is
It's
married?
building
yeah, he
momentum.
just mentioned his wife
Yeah.
and I was like,
He's got a child also.
Fuck, man. Fuck,
Yeah.
fuck. Can we? It's your fucking birthday, dude.
Yeah.
I forgot
It's a
about my
fucking
birthday.
birthday,
bro.
bro.
I keep forgetting about my birthday, bro.
actually your birthday.
For real,
Yeah,
bro? Why
yeah.
the fuck do you think?
Yeah.
यार मैं 2 दिन से भूल गया हूँ भाई. इंडिया का बर्थडे, अमेरिका बर्थडे दोनों
अलग
भूल गया
होता
भाई.
है?
नहीं मतलब
Like
मेरा टाइमिंग
12 hour का
difference. नहीं इंडिया में बाद में पैदा हुए थे ना.
मुझे लगा अरे नहीं होता है ना ऐसा
हाँ.
हिंदू कैलेंडर में अलग
अच्छा,
birthday है,
हाँ,
ऐसा. I
वो
was
कुछ
like
होता
maybe
है.
I don't know, bro.
Nice
हाँ.
save.
No, genuinely, I was like, क्या
Fair,
पता,
fair,
bro.
fair, fair.
Yeah,
No, happy birthday. That's cool.
thank you.
The thing is, people do a lot of weird shit to get people to drink. So that's why I thought you all are just sending me on a guilt trip.
No, bro.
Dude, we don't ऐसा manipulate, like,
Yeah, yeah.
People
We'll
like
just
that.
tell you if you want to drink with
But
us.
you tell me how many times, like, if you've just decided you're not gonna, like, have a drink that
Yeah.
night, and then you just say, okay, no, I'm not drinking. 3 times someone will, different people or the same person say, "Arey, one shot, arey,
Yeah.
one shot, yeah."
Yeah.
That.
वो
Because
environment पे
they're all
depend
drinking,
करता
ना.
है
They're
ना.
all drinking, na. They also
Environment
want you
चीज़
to.
है,
So
yeah.
the thing, what I'm saying
Match.
is, it's very common.
Yeah.
This is very
Yeah.
common in Pune.
It's common, bhai.
It's
It's
your-
common.
I
bhai.
don't
सब
experience
जगह,
it
bhai.
here. If here you tell
Hey,
someone
hey.
you're not drinking, they just agree with it.
No, dude.
यहाँ पे
No one
लेकिन
forces
कुछ
you.
और
I feel
offer
like-
करता है. यहाँ पे ज्यादा साइड में कुछ चलता है भाई.
ये मुझे नहीं
Facts,
पता,
facts.
honestly.
हाँ
ये मुझे नहीं पता.
कि ये चलता है.
नहीं, मुझे
अरे
तो-
चलता नहीं दौड़ता है यार.
Yeah, this
मेरा
shit.
मोहल्ला में कभी घूमना.
Very nice.
आ जाओ अंधेरी वेस्ट.
Oh my god.
फूकते बहन चोद. मैं नहीं.
बाकी सब.
बाकी
Look,
सब.
look.
Very, very-
We're talking
Local.
about people
We're
here.
talking about people.
talking
Random
about
people, random
Yeah.
people. Yeah.
That's true.
No
But
one
yeah.
I know.
What is it? Yeah, that. So.
Anyway, I was
everyone
saying-
asks you to like drink,
What?
no?
Yeah,
They always
everyone
ask you
asks
to
you.
drink.
Yeah, it's
So I was
common.
like, and now
But-
like you ask me now, what's up with me? I'm not drinking.
Mm.
I'm not drinking, and I'm just off everything, and I'm going to the gym very
Wow.
regularly.
Do
And,
it.
like, I've
Do you
got
want to flex your
gains.
biceps?
No.
You
Do it
did
now.
you did it off camera. You can do it
Yeah,
on camera.
because
also.
I know that the people are like hateful.
Bhai,
and all.
Why,
It's
bro?
good.
If
Bye,
you want to
yaar.
see my progress, go to my Instagram.
There you go.
Look at this
That's-
cloud chaser.
Shameless,
इधर दिखा
shameless plug there.
Exactly.
Shameless
Shameless.
plug.
I don't think I have that much of a
You have, you
bicep.
have, you have.
actually think
Yeah,
so?
yeah,
yes, yes. Bhai,
While you see it, by the way, follow me as well.
We'll just cut the camera.
India
to
Drew.
no, bro.
Of course.
But my shoulders look like really good and all now. So
yeah. How long have you been going to gym?
month and a half.
Yeah, ये वही है.
Consistently.
This is like
This is the first month. It's like
this is the
Beginner
first
gains are
month
real.
Yeah.
photo syndrome.
But the thing
You take
is,
those
I have
photos
had
and-
so many of these first months.
Oh,
You know?
Okay, and
I've-
then you.
I've
So
had
it's-
multiple of these first
So it's
months.
similar to your relationship pattern.
Gym and
Yeah,
relationship.
bro.
No.
You call Sheena only to
Cut
attack
deep
her, bro.
quick,
Okay,
bro.
guys,
Sorry for the handshake.
I didn't know कि मैं अपने roast पे आई थी. But
नहीं,
that's
नहीं,
Oh,
good to
that'll
know.
actually be crazy. We should host
Sheena's
a roast
roast.
of
Yeah,
Sheena.
that should do
Sheena's
that.
roast will. हाँ भाई.
Yeah, we'll think
Yeah.
of that, but sorry.
Think of it.
Sorry to cut you off.
Don't do it today.
Not today, not today. अच्छे से script लेके आएंगे. So continue. Sorry, you were saying.
Nah, so I've been going to the gym and I've had multiple of like these first day at the gym, first week at the gym. Because I don't know, पहले मैं college में थी, फिर COVID हो गया, फिर
These are just.
मैं बोर हो गई थोड़ा सा because I need someone to work out with.
Hmm.
So now I have someone to work out with and like I know what I'm doing and like it's good, dude. Like yeah, I'm eating. I have protein shake every day. My Didi makes protein shake for me.
Dude,
It's really like
That is a
Dude.
blessing.
yeah.
that
True
should
shit.
be. That should be a.
I'm very scared of becoming that obnoxious person who like, and I have become that actually, and it's never been like this. Every time I'm in a club,
How obnoxious? How? Like in
I'm
what?
telling you, every time I'm at a club, see a mirror. The first thing is not checking my makeup anymore.
Oh.
It's checking my fucking back. I
Checking
check
your
how my
back.
back looks.
You
Like,
might be
Like I
getting to
flex
that level.
my back.
If it's
and
straight
I-
or not. If you're
No,
sitting
like I
straight.
flex my back and I see like my muscles.
In the.
In the mirror, like I turn and I fucking flex. I'm not joking. This
In
is
a club,
happening.
But back?
Yeah, in
Out
the
of all
mirror.
the things, back?
Yeah, because it looks so good now. Like I can see
Acha.
proper muscles and shit.
Because you weren't
Boys
happy
can't
with your
relate
back
with-
before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys can't relate to this, bro.
Why
Like,
not?
नहीं नहीं करते तो हैं but
Because
maybe in the
y'all
gym not
see
at
it-
मैं
the
नहीं
club.
करता मैं कभी
You'll
अपना
see
पीठ
this-
नहीं देखा हूँ
Y'all
But I know what
see-
you mean.
Y'all
Yeah.
see like results much quicker
yeah
than girls
yeah,
do.
back.
It's a thing.
Okay, like muscular
Or
wise.
like
you mean.
muscles, yeah, like
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
arms, like I'll check my tricep or something, and like my shoulders, like I just look better now. So like that's the first thing I notice in a mirror now, and it's very interesting.
My wife says the same thing.
Hmm.
Like for me, if I can do the gym consistently for 2 or 3 months,
Hmm.
my results are quick. But like for her, like she says it takes longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, she
has
says
something
like
to do
men's
with
bodies adjust quicker.
testosterone.
Yeah,
I think.
something.
But yeah, also diet. I'm eating better now,
Mm.
so that.
Yeah, I mean it's सिर्फ diet ही है भाई, diet and your lifestyle.
You're also working out.
Yeah, थोड़ा
Yeah.
बहुत, थोड़ा
Bro,
बहुत.
he
नहीं
showed
लग
me
रहा
his
भाई
bicep.
लग
हाँ,
रहा
भाई,
भाई अभी हिला के आए हो भाई वो नहीं मतलब जिम में
Biceps. yeah.
आज
हाँ भाई।
bicep day था क्या?
हाँ
No,
भाई
not today. Today was back.
Back. I train back and bicep.
Back
together.
biceps. हाँ.
Wow.
टेस्टी वस्टी भी मार रहे हो क्या
क्या क्या? Testy? नहीं भाई.
टेस्टोस्टेरोन
Testy. And he goes like this.
I just made that up I made that up
Do I look
Is that a
like
thing?
I'm juiced up?
No,
No,
you
no.
look good. You look natural. You look like you've been
I
hitting
am.
it.
Bhai, I'm not
Yeah.
like. I'm fucking. I don't even eat non-veg, bhai.
You don't eat non-veg?
No.
You're
Really?
vegetarian?
Yeah.
Since
He's
when?
not vegetarian. He just doesn't like the taste of chicken.
Yeah. I don't
Acha.
like.
He can eat it.
I can
He
eat
eats
it.
it once in a while, but it's.
Oh, but you
You
know.
can't say
don't-
I'm not a. You're
Yeah,
a vegetarian.
Ha, but I don't prefer eating non-veg.
Ha, he
na.
prefers
So,
like paneer
I
and.
prefer vegetarian food.
Fair enough.
I love paneer though, bro. That's
Bro-
my favorite. I
Bro,
love
I
paneer.
just saw something very disturbing about paneer.
What?
No, don't
Sorry.
say that. Don't ruin my
No,
favorite.
no,
It's gonna-
I think
it's gonna ruin
it's
it
going
for
to
you.
do.
Fuck.
So at most places now, जो पनीर पकोड़े जो बनते हैं, उसमें they are not using actual paneer anymore.
What are they using?
They are just making something up. कुछ तो
Making
नकली पनीर
something
बना के
up.
भाई बेच रहे हैं भाई.
It's like
तेल
glycerol
का-
and
ये
all, bro.
किससे बन
It's
रहा है
तेल
लेकिन?
का और कुछ
like they water down the paneer
Yeah.
and they
Fuck,
make
okay.
glycerol and it
No,
basically looks like
it
paneer.
makes
It's
sense
very
though.
much like paneer, but it's not paneer.
It's very easy to replicate
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
texture of paneer.
Yeah.
It's so
Paneer.
very
Yeah,
The
tough.
chemical
tofu में भी
composition is
same होता है
something
ना.
else.
Yeah man, I got so scared अभी.
Tofu
I'm
is
Say-
more expensive.
Yeah.
But I mean, the texture though is like the
But
same.
bro, ये सब चीज में ही होता है. मतलब चिकन मोमोज में वो कबूतर का मीट खिलाते
yeah,
हैं.
you,
कुछ
how
But
do
that
you
is-
really know, bro, what you're eating?
See, I'll tell
How
you,
do
the
you
best
know?
thing is just eat meat because you're eating some type of meat.
Dude,
So it can be
the
kawa
last
biryani.
time
It
someone
can
did
be,
that, we got a pandemic. So I don't think you should be saying that.
But you're not going to be fed a fucking bat, bro, in the middle
You
of
don't
Mumbai.
know.
Bat
Mumbai
soup.
में कौन bat खिलाएगा?
Bat?
Have you seen a bat also in Mumbai? I've never seen a
I've
single
seen.
bat.
Of course, I've seen a bat in Mumbai.
What do you-
किधर? किधर देखा है लौड़े?
अबे bat देखा है ना? रात को bat नहीं देखा है तूने कभी?
रात को
इधर तो
bat
नहीं
दिखता
देखा
भी
है.
नहीं एक तो.
In
Come
Mumbai, I've
on.
never seen.
Really?
It's so popular.
I've
Like it's
seen-
so.
ऐसा एक दो बार ही
Actually,
देखा है.
Bombay
I've
में-
never seen in this city. I've
Of
never
course,
seen.
there's bats here, man.
There must
Outskirts
be
में रहेगा भाई,
outskirts.
किधर?
होगा एक दो होगा
अबे।
घूमते हुए बट
घूमते
ज्यादा
हुए
नहीं है.
Yeah.
Is there a cave in Bombay? I don't think there is a
No.
cave.
Bat cave.
Bro, fuck, there is no nature in Bombay.
अरे
Yeah,
there
when is the
ना.
last time you've heard a bird chirp in Bombay?
I've heard. Bro.
In Mumbai.
Yeah, there are many
On your
pigeons
28th
outside
floor.
my
I
window.
saw
I
a
said
tree
like a bird, not a
planted
pigeon,
in
bro.
a pot.
What? What?
I saw a tree planted in a pot in
That's
front of someone's
you're
house.
This is
Oh,
also
यहाँ पे.
ये भी
Touch
freaky
the
है.
leaves and check. It needs to be real.
Not to go full political, but I do think that like at least in the US, I don't know what the system is in India, but America में हम लोग का meat real नहीं होता. Like real होता like एक मतलब है मुर्गा बट बेंचोद वो कभी अपना सेल के बाहर नहीं गया. ऐसा मुर्गा थोड़ी है कि घूम के यू नो कॉर्न खा रहा है अपना मुर्गा वाला बकचोदी कर रहा है ना. वो कुछ नहीं हो रहा
chicken
है.
life.
वो
Not a
no,
well-traveled-
he's living in a cage
Yeah.
with
Yeah, but
100.
how does it matter if it's like being fed and grown in the same
No,
way?
no,
No,
they
it's
inject
not,
that
bro.
shit.
It's
They
being
inject it.
fattened unnaturally, so they can't
Okay,
even walk.
oh.
They
Yeah.
just sit like
Yeah.
they're
They're
so.
just- okay,
वो
okay.
मुर्गा है कि क्या है मुझे नहीं पता है. But
It's a product.
Yeah.
At this point.
it's a product. It's
yeah.
not like
And that's not good
doing
also.
chicken shit.
Yeah.
Because that meat,
you know, मैं साइंटिस्ट नहीं हूँ भाई, but जो
Yeah.
chicken shit होता है वो नहीं करता.
It's not real chicken. Yeah.
dude,
Yeah.
no matter what you like, this also sounds sad, but even if you go to like a normal butcher, you see all like chickens in a coop and they all look so sad. Then
But why do you look into
I
their
don't look
eyes?
now, I stopped looking.
Yeah,
कहाँ-
just
कहाँ?
don't look
किसके
at
आँख
them,
में?
bro.
I don't look.
True sociopath over here, bro. I like it, bro. Me too, bro.
See, now that's
See,
what
as
I'm
long as it
saying.
doesn't affect my meat, I'm fine.
मैं तो खाता हूँ
मैं भी
man,
खाऊंगा.
See, now I'm saying it's a man's world. You all will not get
I
hate
don't
for
like
this.
it.
I'll
What-
only get fucking.
Nah,
Of course,
man.
even I'll get hate for saying this.
You, अरे.
सिंह मुर्गे के आँख में मत देख.
While it's being chopped.
And while it's being chopped, you can't look, bro. Its eyes pop out.
No.
I don't know, just making shit up.
No.
I make up
I'm
everything I say.
I've
on
never
here.
I've never had the balls to go and like see
No,
a
bro,
murga
Go to
get
a
it's
cut.
very
butcher, huh?
scary. Like,
Yeah. This one time I was going with Amin. And he told me, bro, you wait in the car and go get the this thing and come. I said, no, bro, let's go. I want to see. Then we walked into the market and then I could just say that. And I was like, okay. Then I turned around.
It's
I was
damn
like, you're right,
sad,
bro.
bro. It's
I'll wait to the
horrible,
side.
scary shit. And
Yeah.
so this happened with me in college. That's why I went like vegetarian for 2 years. And I just ate paneer and whatever.
Then why did you like come back?
Bro, chicken momos is just too good.
See, bastard. This is what I mean.
Chicken tikka masala
Exactly.
too, bro.
Yeah.
Like rolls, bro.
Even-
Chicken tikka masala rolls, bro. With that green
Yeah.
chutney, bhai. Gone far, bhai.
I'm telling you, like,
बहुत मस्त भाई. उसके बिना
मंगाना
जी
पड़ेगा
नहीं
इसके
सकते
बाद.
भाई.
I just feel like, see, I'll tell you, my issue is chicken with bones. It reminds
Me
me,
too.
that it's an animal. You give me boneless chicken, I'll eat anything
That is
and
true.
everything.
That is true.
Chicken nuggets, fried chicken, atomic tenders, whatever, bro. Anything, I will eat it if it doesn't have a bone in it.
Yeah, you
I
shouldn't
support.
feel like it's
Yeah.
non-veg. फिर अच्छा लगता है भाई.
Yeah, that's why mock meat, if you feed me, and I'll be like, yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
But the protein will be less in it. So that I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But also white meat और अच्छा होता है.
Yeah, lean-
The boneless
lean meat,
meat is
whatever.
tastes better. The dark
Fish.
meat on the bone tastes weird.
Yeah,
compared.
meat just tastes weird to me.
Yeah.
That's why I don't eat it.
I don't know about that, bro. I eat a
Bro,
little
but
bit.
you know, oh my god, so.
I was just about to say, your girl is missing out, bro.
No, it's fine. That's. I mean, there's fun ways to do things, right?
Bro, you're going dark today, bro.
It's always like this.
Yeah. he
अंधेरी
wants to-
West को अंधेरी बना दिया बेंचो.
No, I was saying you said chicken, like whatever, you don't like the taste. You know, actually, all the taste of the meat comes from like the juice of the meat. So I've been seeing really
What does that
strange.
even mean?
I'll explain to you.
Huh.
If you like wash a chicken really well,
Hmm.
right? Like if you boil it and then you just wash it multiple times, it just tastes like fiber.
Okay.
It is a very weird thing.
How do we fiber like cloth?
Like just resha. I don't know how to explain this to you, but it's true. If you just wash it like insanely, like it will not taste like an animal.
But why would you do that in the
Yeah.
first place?
I will tell you how I know this.
Huh.
I have not done it myself. I've just seen an absurd amount of weird food combination reels. I don't know why it's coming on my Explore with all these people mixing Maggie and Coke.
That's a thing.
And some
That's a thing.
person made a milkshake.
Disgusting.
Some person made a milkshake with this like really weird like chicken and ice cream and bananas and blueberries.
What?
And they were like, this is great for bodybuilders because this has a lot of
Yeah, I mean
protein
it
in
does. Like if you tell the ingredients by themselves.
Because it has a lot of protein in it. They
Yeah.
mix chicken with bananas and blueberries and
But would you drink that, bro?
Not
Pagal
you
hai
can't
kya?
drink chicken.
but
It's-
like
must
they
be
blended
blended,
it,
na?
yeah.
Yuck.
It's like a drink. Ye
Bro,
sabka.
the worst offender in this niche is the pan sandwich. Have you guys seen this?
What the fuck
Wait,
is a
what are
pan
these fuck
sandwich?
all reels that you
You've
guys are
not
getting?
seen?
Dude, you
Oh.
gotta
What's
go. This is a
Pan
whole
sandwich, bhai.
black
I
hole
think
on
we're
the
gonna
internet,
go back and
bro.
forth on this because like there's
Yeah.
so many weird things. There's like
What the fuck is a
Dude,
pan
tons.
sandwich?
Pan,
Tell,
that
please,
literally pan. Pan ka patta, pura ye beech mein jo
Chuna
lagti
wuna
hai,
laga
all
ke,
that
haan.
shit. Meeta pan, it's not too bad, but still, or if you're sandwich banana.
In the bread.
they'll put it in
Yeah,
bread.
bro.
No, it's
So
like
Yeah, bro.
it's like vada pav. You know, like how everyone's irritated that like they put everything in vada.
Yeah.
Like sorry, everything in pav,
Pav.
samosa pav, vada pav, whatever. They're doing weird shit like this, man. Like I saw one where they were making chocolate Maggie.
Yep,
Oh.
I've seen that.
Chocolate Maggie just sounds disgusting.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Looks gross, bro.
And someone, there was another one where they were making like an omelette and they just put a lot of ice cream in it. And they just do weird shit. I don't know why this is a thing.
Why are your reels always fucked up, bro? Like they're fucked up in different ways. This time it's a different type of
admit
fucked up.
I'm also in this corner of the internet somehow.
How?
I don't know
How?
kaise pahunche wahan, but I'm there.
Bro, my content, my explore page is truly, it needs to be studied by Meta. I don't know how.
By
I get-
Meta?
Yeah, bro, it's so random because I get like American, you know, trends, makeup trends, this, that. Like who's holding a Stanley Cup. Everyone, I know what's up.
Yeah.
I also know what is up with Ganji Chodel. I also know what's up with Rakhi Sawant. And
Maybe
I
you
also
just
know
consume too much content,
I'm
so they run
chronically
out of
online.
things to show you.
I am chronically online.
So
that's
they just
true.
like show you everything.
Yeah,
You're the global algorithm.
Yeah, probably.
that's true. That's cool.
I got a Nigerian reel the other day. It was pretty like very the typical Indian TikToks are there. Have you seen the Big
Yo.
Brother? I'm the bad man.
No, I
Oh
haven't.
fuck! How have I not seen it? There's
See,
a-
I haven't seen them
Bro,
before.
it was too funny. It starts off with like this Nigerian gentleman in front, and he goes, "I'm not a bad boy, but I am bad boy's brother." And then he walks away. And there's like it's a line of people. Then the person behind them comes, "I'm not a bad boy, but I am bad boy's best friend." So this happens.
need to
Then
see
a
this.
girl comes. A girl comes. She's like, "I'm not a bad boy, but I am bad boy's side chick." And then she goes. Then another woman comes. She's like, "I'm not bad boy, but I am bad boy's main girl." And then the last guy comes and he just like comes in like a hoodie
I'm
and all, he
bad
removes
boy.
his
Oh, wow.
hoodie, looks around and he goes, "I am the bad boy."
This sounds like a fucking
And
masterpiece.
it's such a good reel, bro. And then everyone
Bro.
in the comments are like, "Wait till this reaches the Indian audience." I was like, bro, it has reached, and how?
Bro,
it
you-
was too good. I loved it.
You can't be hating on the
You
weird
can't.
street food reels if you're on that corner of the internet.
For sure,
कहना
bhai, for
पड़ेगा भाई.
sure.
Bro,
अगर
this
ये
is so
तेरा
good.
algorithm है भाई तो मेरा साफ है भाई. मेरा सही है.
Some like Nigerian mafia shit. Like they're like,
You
I
got
get-
actual mafia
yeah,
shit,
yeah,
bro,
I get
for the
actual
longest time.
mafia
Really?
oh
shit.
dude, have you
Yeah.
seen
Some
that one
Pirate
about?
Gram. You never come on Pirate Gram?
I've
No,
only
I'm gonna
seen
check
one
that out
reel.
though.
Bro, it's too good.
I've seen only one reel where they talk about how they pour wine on a table when like they don't like someone on the table. It's like a mafia thing, and I think that's honestly the coolest thing I've seen.
But that's someone speaking.
Somebody pours it the other direction,
yeah, and they're
right?
like, oh, if you don't want to talk in front of this guy because like
You
he'll know
pour
our
the-
secrets, then you pour it like ulta.
Right
I've
say,
seen
left
that.
say.
Yeah,
Yeah,
वैसा.
some
yeah.
weird shit. I was like,
Bro, that's
Oh
what?
no,
cool
no,
shit,
that
dude.
is not
Yeah.
real.
Then
I
what?
see like real Somalians attacking a fucking
That
ship.
shit is allowed on Instagram.
Yeah, it's there and it's too cool, bro. Because they're like firing guns and everything.
Yeah.
My algorithm is the best, like 100%.
Dude, I need to get on that.
Yeah,
though,
bro, I'll
bro.
send them to you next time it
Yeah.
comes. It's
I
called.
mean, Instagram is
I'm
made
into
in a
the
way that
Spider-Gram.
everyone thinks their algorithm is the best because you're getting to
Yeah,
see what
of
you want
course.
to see, right?
Bro, I'm getting to see
Everyone
like
sees
cocaine
what
being
they want to see.
transported, money being laundered.
What the fuck are you
It's too
into?
good, bro.
Hey.
I'm on.
Get me on this
I
shit,
sent
bro.
it to you, bro.
What is this corner,
bro,
bro?
his Instagram
I'm
is like a
I'm
cartel,
watching
yeah.
Blue Maggie over here, bro.
No, bro, I'll
Maggie
clean
made
up your
with
feed.
fucking
Gatorade.
Sting, bro.
I'll clean up your
Yuck.
feed. I'll clean up your
And
feed.
जो
Wow.
छपड़ी chow mein बन रहा है मेरा algorithm पे भाई. You're watching the cool shit.
I have the coolest shit, bro. It's too much fun.
Damn.
I'll send it across to you all next
Cocaine
time.
Bro,
being
hook me up.
transported.
Bro, and like they show, like just like
Even I want to see
Kilos
this.
of it in a plane.
I'm very interested.
It's
Like
too
a
good,
small
no?
plane is going.
Yeah,
उसमें वो
small plane. And
गाने
they'll-
बजा
and
रहे
they'll-
हैं, coke लेके जा रहे
They'll
हैं.
put like very typical Mexican music at the back.
Oh no.
They even take the
They
effort.
had to
They
go
even take the
racist, too.
effort.
They had to hit that racist note too.
Yeah, they had to
Appeal
make
to
sure.
all audiences, bro.
Yeah.
So you know it's true.
Their content game is solid, bhai. They know what they're
Dude.
doing with that.
Speaking of like
I'm in it.
flying and like illegal shit, have you watched Crew? Did you watch Crew?
No, we haven't watched the
No.
movie.
You didn't watch it?
No,
Dude,
no,
it
no.
was so good. It was genuinely
How was
so
the movie?
good. It was like, I was just happy to see like an all-female like cast.
Mhm.
They were all in the lead and it was really fun. And Kareena Kapoor killed it. I was like, wow, she looked
Cast
so
was
good.
so really nice, dude.
Bro, she looked so good.
Kareena.
Yeah, she was looking like, I was like, wow, she's back and how. It's cool. Pretty cool.
But I mean, Kareena is one of the goats, bro. I think.
No, honestly, I am not a
she's-
fan.
How can you not be a fan,
Because
bro?
she says some whatever, bro. When she said influencer, I was like, why would you do that?
No,
Have
but
you
what did
seen-
she say? Like, give more.
Have
I
you
don't.
seen?
I haven't
okay,
seen
basically,
this.
it was this little clip of her in an interview
Mhm.
where she was just like, someone asked her, "What do you think about influencers?" She's like,
Huh.
"Influencer."
So fully condescending
And I was
and.
like, why would you do that? Like,
Huh.
She's not wrong though.
But don't you feel like most of the actors think that about us?
but why would you go and then
Ait,
like?
what do you mean she's sorry? Hang on a second.
Nah,
Come on, I'm just
he's
saying,
saying, of
I'm
course.
equally offended, bro. I feel you. तुम क्या करते हो फिर?
Hear me out.
अच्छा podcast है ना? सही है भाई podcast है ना? तो भी हम ही लोग का है भाई. नटंकी मत करो बहनचोद. देख लो बेइज्जती कर रहा है.
You're one of us.
Stewie thinks he's above everyone. bro.
We're all in the same boat, and if you want to stay on it, then you should be nice.
But why would you get offended, bro? It's okay.
Yeah, it's not something to
It's
take
you
not
should have
something to
seen
get
her
offended.
face. You should have seen her face.
But it's not something to
It's
take
still,
personally.
yeah,
no,
she's
it's
not saying, she's not going like,
saying it
ew,
to anyone.
Sheena.
my thing.
Like if she says that, then you can feel
Yeah.
bad.
No,
उसने
in fact,
नाम-
then I'll be like, fuck, she knows me, dude. That's cool. I'm getting
Ah, then
somewhere.
suddenly it's cool.
Even if she hates me.
That's fine. That's
Yeah.
okay. But like, just in general, like, because when their movies come out, then they go na to these people don't need to make reels now. Let people know
But
that
they don't know,
They
na.
don't know it,
Their-
bro.
their
The
They
pro-
have to, na, but
production
it's
unit
part
does
of
it.
their
marketing,
management
no?
will do it. Huh.
That's because they're paid
Whatever.
to do it.
Come on. So that's what we also get paid to do things now. Then what to say?
Huh, you do what you have to do. Like
Exactly.
no
Don't
one
be
is.
making faces is what my point is.
That's fine, bro. You can't hate on her acting career. She's
Like someone
been
like
there for
her
a-
can maybe say it, bro. She
I'll
is.
tell you.
Yeah,
you know?
she's achieved it.
I will say that it is a different level.
Yeah,
Right,
it-
to some degree
Quite
it is,
literally,
yeah.
it's a.
No, of course it is.
Yeah.
But then being at that level also comes with like a certain level of, I don't know, responsibility.
Like you should appreciate the
Can't
people
make
under
hurt
you
them.
kind of
Okay,
thing.
okay, I'm not hurt about it. I'll tell you what. This is one
Sounds
thing.
like
No, it's not. Okay, she said what she said. That's fine. But then there was another video I saw where someone asked her, "Are you a feminist?" And she's like, "No,
Oh, उसमें
I
Sonam
believe in
वाला है।
equality." And then Sonam Kapoor in the back goes, "Woo!" You wanna be saying influencer when you don't even fucking know what feminism is? Like, just stop it. Someone also asked her what she thought about some, like, I think Chandrayaan or some space mission that was happening by ISRO, and she was like, "Why are you asking me this question?" Like,
She's not wrong,
Yeah, but
bro.
why are they asking her
Why are they
about
asking an
Chandrayaan
actor?
के बारे में?
भाई आपको चंद्रयान के बारे में क्या
आपको
लगता
वो
है?
स्पेस मिशन में वो टेक्निकल एक कोई तो क्वेश्चन
ये
No,
लेकिन
not
बहुत अजीब है ना कि
technical,
press important question
was
actors
about,
से
like,
पूछता
are you
है.
proud
it's
of
so
the country?
stupid. Like it's
Yeah,
all the
like,
stupid
why?
things.
it's
Right?
just like, are you proud of the country types? Like, I don't
That's
expect
so
an
ask
actor to
that
know
ना, so
like
Just ask
details
करना
and
saying
shit
कि
like
मैम आज ये रॉकेट गया आपको
कल
अच्छा
दूसरा
लगा
जाएगा.
She'll just be like, yeah, congratulations to the team that worked hard on
I
it.
don't
उड़ाते रहो भाई.
Yeah,
हर रोज एक
yeah.
रॉकेट उड़ा बेंच
उड़ाते रहो बेंचोद मैं भी उड़ाऊंगा भाई.
I don't remember what they asked, but if I show this to you, it looked pretty. I was like, what the hell, man? Like,
I feel like you're just being a hater, bro, at this point. I'm sorry to
just
say.
like Kareena Kapoor.
You're
I
hating
mean-
on her for no reason.
I'm not hating on her. I was just like, be nice, na?
Nah.
I don't know her well enough to get involved. मैं
Neither
side में
do I.
चुपचाप
No.
You've
चुपचाप
not watched,
हो.
you've not watched
don't
many
know
of her movies?
Her movies?
Not her, bro.
No, I mean
Kareena.
I meant her. I don't want to get
Yeah,
involved
we
in
don't want
between
to
the
get
debate.
involved in her crap.
Maybe someday. No, I don't want to act. But no, yeah, I'm not hating on her. I just feel like No, don't be mean. A lot of
हाँ,
Sure.
fair. Like
That's fair. I mean, we
in an
are
ideal
like
world.
in the industry in some way, right?
Yeah.
We're
I
below
don't
them. वो तो
like-
मैं मानूंगा.
Yeah.
Ah, for sure.
I
If
don't
we're all in
feel
the
like,
same boat.
I don't feel like I'm in the industry. Like I
It's
try
not about the
like,
industry,
I
it's
don't
more
know,
like-
You're in some kind of entertainment, though.
yeah,
right?
that's
Yeah.
true. That's true.
Yeah.
You're in
Not
some form of
acting.
entertainment.
Yeah, not acting, but the overall entertainment.
Yeah.
industry,
I guess so. I mean, it started out as just like I just really like documenting my life,
Mm-hmm.
and still even now, like a lot of it is just me being creative. So I like that. I never looked at it as a medium of like entertaining people or anything, but I think yeah, it comes with that. So
But
maybe-
always, I feel you always knew it was going to be entertaining for somebody. That's the reason why you documented it.
yeah, true. No.
No?
I documented it for myself.
Then
You
why
can-
did you
I-
put
Then
it
you start
out?
putting it out.
And then I started putting out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, but when you put it
I've-
out, you put it.
I was recording. I've been recording myself since I was like 10, and I started putting it out only when I was like 20. So I don't know. Yeah.
So you're gonna post all that stuff
No
also?
man, it's too cringe.
You should,
Why not?
You should
Maybe,
start
maybe
back.
I might do like oh my god, like I'm reacting to like my. own
हाँ,
stuff.
हाँ,
Make
react
that
to
for
your
like your
stuff.
birthday.
You've had like the dating Sega. Now do like the childhood Sega.
No, dude.
Bring it back. Before the boyfriends.
Yeah, before
what
the
happened
boyfriends.
before ये सब
Yeah.
चूतिया
Why
बंदा
am I
मुझको
so
मिला?
fucked up?
Yeah, why you were
Yeah,
like
What
Break it
is-
down as to why you are
Bro.
who you are.
Yeah.
Sheena the prequel करके you can
This is like some Annabelle shit, dude. It's like. why
Sheena
are you
season
Yeah.
1.
yeah.
No.
Yeah,
For
actually.
my birthday, you're mad or dude.
Before Sheena.
I don't think I have footage that like connects. It's just all so random.
So that's the whole point of it, no?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's funny.
childhood shit.
Like, you can give a voiceover.
Oh, dude, there's this trend. Again, now I'm going to talk about something that's happening online, and you just be like, you're chronically online. But
Mm-hmm.
this is my reality. I'm just going to accept it. There was this makeup trend that was happening. Everyone's doing like tuk, 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 things like that. Have you seen it?
No.
It's Kareena
Better do
Kapoor's
this.
movie only. From
Makeup.
Ashoka. Have you watched Ashoka?
Oh, yeah. I know which one you're talking about.
Ashoka तो देखी है मैंने, but what
That
is this
song.
trend?
So basically, they do makeup transitions on it, okay?
They all do the tribal makeup, no?
Yeah. I used to sing this song as a child
They all.
with like a piano and all, and
Mhm.
it's like a very sexual song, okay?
Yeah.
As a child.
Yeah, and I was singing this as a child, and like I had like a whole piano and like a little mic, and I used to sing this sexual song on that, and I remember seeing this trend happening. I was like, what the fuck? I remember myself doing that, and it was just the most bizarre thing. So this is what my collection of baby videos is. I'm either dancing on like
Yeah, then I'd
You know,
recommend
like-
you not.
That'll be
We
that's
we
a
don't
little
want a child
CP
singing sexual
territory.
songs.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm not
absolutely
singing.
not.
1 second, I'm not singing it sexually. First of
I
all,
know. But
Can I ask
Just to
one question
clarify,
though?
yeah.
for sure.
Who
Was
gave
recording?
you this Spotify playlist at 10 years old?
No, there
that
was no
had this-
Spotify.
जो
I
भी
think.
है,
She just
MP3
played,
player
probably just found that
where
song.
you had this song
I don't know, bro. It used to play on the TV and all. I think.
on the TV.
Yeah.
Oh
I guess.
shit.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was funny to see how like I used to sing this song as a child, and now like it's a trend, and I was like, the world works in like weird ways. Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Crazy, bro. I don't think I can match that story.
Yeah, even I was
wasn't
thinking
singing any.
I was going to ask Drew, what did you do in your childhood?
तू तो बिहार के सड़कों में घूम रहा था
हाँ
ना
भाई
as a
मैं
child,
बस
भाई.
सही सही घूम
बिहार
रहा
के
था
सड़कों
यार.
पे?
Yeah.
बिहार हाँ बिहार में भी
Is
रहा.
that how you know Hindi?
Yeah,
Like
I
really
lived
well?
in all of North India. So मैं दिल्ली में रह चुका हूँ, यूपी में, बिहार में. मेरा
Oh.
पापा exporting करता था वहाँ पे. So
Damn.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
you start selling insurance for trucks.
yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Was that
Just-
wasn't in India though, right?
No,
हाँ,
that was in
yeah.
Florida.
Yeah.
इंडिया में कोई
To
नहीं
be
बेचता
that
भाई.
well traveled.
Truckers
Yeah.
Truckers को insurance.
ये क्या होता है भाई?
Bro, मुझे नहीं पता था but
Oh,
सब
that's-
सीखने
You really don't know
चलाते
they drink
हैं.
and
नहीं,
drive.
how ये मुझे कैसे पता
They
होगा?
drive for like
Dude,
10, 12 hours at a
ज़्यादा
stretch.
भाई
Yeah.
ज़्यादा
That's what I'm
30
saying,
40
like,
घंटे.
12 तो is like
I did see this documentary of this lady, like a lady truck driver. And I had no idea what happens in this trucking business, like how it works. Nothing. I have no idea. I saw this lady. She wears like men's clothes, and like she's wearing like oversized shorts and pants, and she's just like talking about. She's just very casually showing her arm, and she's like, "Yeah, I got stabbed here once because they wanted like the stuff in the truck." And I was like, "This shit sounds like really dangerous."
yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, the U.S. trucking industry is fuck all.
That's so
It's
scary.
wild. और जो सबसे टॉप होते हैं ना वो और पागल होता है. You'd think I'm talking to like a CEO, like he's a professional. वो और बड़ा चूतिया होता है. Like वो ट्रकर से भी ज़्यादा बड़ा चूतिया होता है. ट्रकर का मैनेजर होता है वो. So like it's rough, man. Like
There's so much about the world that I don't know.
Yeah. But what do these guys do that's so scary or so crazy?
Can you talk about it? Like,
I don't even know. I was actually thinking that at the beginning. I was like, am I allowed to talk about this? I don't know, but I think it's fine.
yeah.
कौन खोज लेगा मुझको भाई?
किसको मिलने वाला है
फ्लोरिडा
वीडियो?
से अंधेरी कौन आएगा भाई? फ्लोरिडा से पटना कौन नहीं पहुंचेगा bro?
It's like I live in Andheri. dude.
He's like आ जाओ पकड़ने.
आ जाओ
अंधेरी
मैं
वैसे.
मैं यहीं पे हूँ. एड्रेस दे दूंगा भाई. मैं यहीं पे हूँ. 20 लौंडा को घुसा देंगे घर में भाई. Nahi, bhai, it's just wild, bro. I mean, they're all like, obviously, you know, cash operating. A lot of people, bro. One of my homies there, he insured a guy who like, uske paas strip club tha. और strip club के पीछे trucks park होती थी. So imagine like as an agent, you're going to an underwriter. Or one of the main questions is उनका garaging address दीजिए.
Yeah.
And it's at like, you know, Nude Angels. Nude Angels Boulevard, है ना? तो मैं कैसे उनको समझाऊंगा कि मैं जो legitimate business है और यहाँ पे, you know, गांड और cocaine नहीं बेच रहा है.
वो भी बेच रहे हैं
वो भी बेच रहा है, but
But
truck
that's not
चल
the
रहा है.
primary-
He's an
Yeah.
entrepreneur, bro. है उसके 2-3 businesses.
He's running a fun business there. dude.
Exactly,
Yeah.
bro. He's a respectable taxpayer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not at all.
exactly.
Yeah.
Everything is in cash.
Yeah. All cash businesses, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, so shit like that, bro, and literally, yeah, like being like, you know, we would go through like different safety violations and stuff, and you can see, bro, like getting caught with drugs. One guy fucking, he calls me up, he goes, "Bhai, लगता है मुझे business close करना पड़ेगा." I'm like, क्यों, क्या हुआ? तो बोलता है, भाई कल मैंने एक बंदा को मार डाला.
Yo.
तो
और फिर
बंद करना पड़ेगा भाई.
मैं थोड़ा निकल गया वहाँ से. तो बोले बहन चोद.
Understandable, sir. Have a
I was
good
Bro,
day.
this guy just.
It's like, no worries भाई, आज cancel कर देंगे. मैं नहीं जानता हूँ क्या हुआ भाई.
Holy
Yeah.
shit, what the hell?
Yeah,
Dude, but
few
that
different
guy
deaths. Yeah.
So like he ran someone over in the.
Yeah, dude, it happens, bro. And you're talking like 2 fucking tons. I
Yeah.
don't know how much weight that even is, but it's a lot.
It
Yeah.
is.
Like, yeah, it
You
was
can't
much-
survive that.
No, no,
If
impossible.
you get hit by that, you're not surviving.
you're dead.
A
you're
truck?
Dead. You're
हाँ,
dead.
Instant.
और सबसे खराब ये होता पीछे में एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, like I don't know what it is in English or Hindi. Fuck, कुछ और भाषा सीखना पड़ेगा. It's like a big metal tube thing, but those things sometimes they come loose.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking
When they
about.
hit the
The
brakes.
final
अच्छा
destination
वो
type.
जो निकल के
Yeah.
भाई
होता है
कभी
ना?
कभी वो जो ट्रक का कैबिन होता है ना जहाँ
Yeah,
ड्राइवर
I know.
रहता है
हाँ.
उसी में लगा देता है. And the
Yeah.
cabin,
Oh,
bro,
fuck.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
smush like it's paper. I
Yeah.
mean, just fucking like
Damn.
not survivable.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
mean, if it's
but-
paper, then
Bro, I mean, it just literally goes from this to this. Like, it's just
Whoa.
gone.
It is. That's fucking scary though.
When those bitches roll, that's the end. That's why Yugu bhai gaya. R.I.P. bhai.
Yeah.
Dhruv bhai साथ में co-pilot bench में उड़ गया भाई.
There's no way of surviving that.
No, no,
Yeah.
no, no.
Yeah, no.
fucking
It's
dangerous.
like
It's
even
being,
when we
like,
all
fucking
watched
compressed down,
when we
there's
watched
no
Final
chance.
Destination,
Yeah.
which those rods fall out. Bro,
I had
that's
trauma, bro.
no
मेरे को
way.
डर लगता था.
Every time I'm
कि,
driving, I'm still scared.
Highway पे.
like
Truck
it's one of
दिख
my
गया
biggest
तो-
fears that the truck is they've not tied it properly. That
Fuck,
shit will
bro.
fucking fall down. You
Yeah,
can't do anything
you
at
can't
that
do
point.
anything.
देख
That's
अगर
what-
तेरे किस्मत में वो लिखा है
हाँ.
तो होने वाला है.
होने
तेरे साथ.
वाला है,
वही
bro.
है, मतलब क्या ही
Like,
कर
come
सकते हो
on.
तुम.
Like Final
If
Destination
that
is
shit happens to you, you're one of very few. I feel.
You're,
इतने
Right.
होते
you're
हैं.
one of God's least favorites.
जब
और
मैंने
favorite
Like, he
But
hates
I'll tell you what will be worse.
Favorite ना.
What?
Surviving that.
And
Oh yeah, you have
Imagine
like one
like
eye,
imagine
exactly like
one eye and one toe.
Yeah.
That would be
That's when you're fucked.
yeah.
Yeah.
that character from Toy Story.
कभी करा नहीं होगा भाई. लंड है ही
अबे
नहीं
लंड
भाई.
Oh man.
That's like being God's like absolutely least. Like no.
Like
he
you've
hates
done
you.
some
Oh,
fucked
man.
up shit
Then
to deserve
you
that,
have
yeah.
some
That's
weight
like
in your.
karma
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah.
fucked though.
Dude, when I used to do this work, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा म्यूज़िक फेस्टिवल जाते थे वीकेंड्स पे. तो म्यूज़िक फेस्टिवल्स तो सब हरामी होता है वहाँ पे, टेक्नो वाला सीन है. सो दे डोंट हैपन इन द सिटी. माउंटेन्स में होता है, यू नो, कहीं पे होता है जहाँ पब्लिक नहीं है ना. तो रोड ट्रिप्स जाना ही पड़ता था. ऐसा नहीं है कि प्लेन बेंच हो कोई खेती में ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं ना.
I'll send you videos of that. I have videos like that.
So you know,
Yeah,
you've
I
been
know,
there, bro.
yeah.
You've been on that, whatever.
I've been on that.
Yeah. So हम लोग भाई जाते थे गाड़ी में, है ना, 4-5 सीट था बेंच, 8 लोग घुसाते थे, है ना, एक छत पे, और फिर उसके साथ साथ माल फूकते थे, है ना, है ना, माल फूकते थे.
It's all perfectly legal over there. Just
Yeah.
वहाँ पे सब legal है. Legal states का बात
legal
कर रहे
state
हैं.
में बात करते
So
हैं.
it feels so strange to like just talk about it openly, right?
अब तो नहीं करते क्योंकि अलग सीन है, बट वहाँ पे लीगल है.
Legal state में करते थे.
और वो बचपन मतलब अपना बंदा का टाइम था ना, चलता है.
वो लीगली था. Continue.
हाँ, so like 8 बच्चा है ना गाड़ी में माल फूक रहे, और 8 में से 7 ट्रक को इंश्योर करता है ना. और ट्रक यहाँ से आ रहा है बहनचोद, एक यहाँ से आ रहा, एक साइड से आ रहा. भाई हम लोग का गांड ऐसा फट के हाथ में आती थी कि कल मैंने एक बंदा को इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी दिया जो बहनचोद मैथ पीता है, लोगों को उड़ाता है, साथ साथ होकर्स को भी ट्रक में बैठा के अपना कुछ काम करता है ना. So like it was so paranoid. Like you're in the car stoned, scared.
Dude.
Because you know exactly
you're
what's happening
surrounded
around.
by your customers.
Yeah.
Bro,
Who you've insured.
we insured the worst of the
Exactly.
worst.
So they can kill you and they'll get the
Yeah,
money.
because the guys that suck are
Yeah.
expensive.
Yeah.
And expensive means higher commissions. So मैं जितना गंदा मादर चोद को खोज सकता था उसको खोज के लेके
You have
आते
to
थे
find the
भाई.
scum of the earth.
हाँ भाई, जितना गंदा है ना, कोई बहन किला ना आ जा भाई, लिखेंगे तेरा पॉलिसी, मार छोड़ देंगे भाई. बोले यार चल let's start. कल रास्ता में डाल देंगे तेरा ट्रक.
I'll work all night today just to give.
24 घंटा चलाओ भाई, बस छापो भाई.
जो करना है
This is our Rocketman says.
And dude, मैं पैसा छापता था.
Yeah.
But conscious
Capitalism
नहीं.
at its
Yeah.
peak.
Yes.
Fuck everything else.
That's too
I
hard,
want
bro.
my commission.
Yeah. Fuck everybody, bro.
Oh my
I gotta
God.
eat. I gotta pay for
insane.
this music festival.
Yeah.
I'm so right for that. That's crazy. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
bro.
That's
That,
actually
in the
wild.
car though, that was karma looking at you though when you were surrounded by the
Yeah.
trucks.
Yeah.
Us
it's
and the
like
guy in the trunk,
you're
bro.
selling
Yeah, in the
this
trunk.
insurance. This shit is gonna come your way. It's
Don't say
karma.
such things,
Hey,
bro.
come on,
Relax.
bro.
He's not there anymore.
Come
You
on,
never
bro.
know, bro.
This is
Relax.
karma. He's
you're
out
right.
of it.
You're
See?
right. अंधेरी
Yeah.
में मुझको खोजो भाई. खोजो बहन चोद, एड्रेस यहाँ पे लिख के दूंगा भाई. खोजो भाई, लौंडा आएगा.
Andheri West.
स्टूबी भाई आएगा बचाने के लिए भाई. युगू भाई तो
Hey, yo.
सोया होगा.
I'm probably asleep, bhai.
And she'll probably join you to kill me. So.
I
She'll be
can't.
busy watching Kareena Kapoor hate reels.
Oh my
Hate
god.
compilation.
Please. No. I don't think. I think the only thing I would kill is like machhar and all because they irritate me. I can't kill anything else. I'm too scared to like hurt someone. You know, like in my dreams also, like if I want to like slap someone, like my hand moves too slowly because I just can't physically slap them.
Never
Like-
felt like किसी को देखा और like just feel like
I've never slapped
दे दूं
anyone.
यार एक.
You've never seen a
Yeah.
slappable face though? Come on.
I
You've seen a
have.
slap.
You've seen a
face.
slap.
I've
Of course.
seen many slappable faces, but
So how have you not felt like
We have-
slapping?
We
I've
have
never
one.
slapped anyone.
Okay.
nonsense.
Oh,
But
you
you
never
at least
slapped
thought
anyone?
about
Even
it,
I
right?
haven't.
You haven't. That's hard to believe.
Yeah, what do you mean that's hard to believe? Who will I slap, bro?
I don't know. You get perpetually irritated by with
Yeah,
things.
but I don't slap anyone. I don't take it out. I am
I'm
irritated.
surprised actually that you haven't slapped anyone.
No, bro, I've never
You've
gone
been
to a
slapped,
fight
no?
also.
One second,
No.
don't guys like
You haven't
just
even
keep
been
giving
slapped.
each other tupplies all the time?
Tapli is different, bro. That is not out of
Yeah,
anger.
it's not of.
That's out of
A
love.
slap is out of anger.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, no. But this happens
प्यार
right
से
like,
चाटा तो मारते हैं.
हाँ तो you slap. I've never like Yeah, not
पर
even like
चाटा नहीं
touching
होता है
nothing.
वो.
नहीं
It's still
प्यार
not
से
a fuck.
मारपीट भी कर लेते हैं यार like full wrestling कुछ भी मारपीट नहीं but like wrestling
हाँ, like
whatever
that happens.
like क्या भाई क्या हो रहा है
Yeah.
man जो गाली भी देते हैं like you know
And then you just like put someone in a
Yeah,
headlock and you walk around.
yeah.
Yeah.
लड़की लोग ऐसा नहीं करते
Boys are violent for no reason.
you
That's-
guys don't
Yeah.
chest bump when you see your homies chest bump what's up
Just think about the physics of that.
true there's a
How
bit
the
of a
fuck? Because like, yeah.
Why not?
there's a bit
Not
of a
everyone's flat chested, no?
there's a bit of a Newton issue
हाँ, but
there.
still, I feel like
It
it will still
hurts,
work.
dude, are you
It still
mad?
work.
Why would it
hurts,
hurt?
It should work.
hurts.
It won't hurt, bro.
Bro, imagine falling like down on. You can't.
Sorry, I'm just imagining you chest bumping your homies right now. Just like, hey!
You know what? I'm just imagining a double D do it in slow motion. It's really fucking strange.
Oh, that,
Oh.
but if you got it in slow mo, like
That
a
is
good
a-
4K
Yeah,
slow mo,
that's worth a lot.
yeah, पूरा jello effect के साथ भाई. Wait, worth what? I'm thinking about the cinematography here,
Even
bro.
I am.
Oh, you're thinking about the OnlyFans
Yeah.
subscription, bro.
We'll sell it.
He speaks so fast, he doesn't realize. He takes like
Yeah.
2 sentences. He's like, wait, what did you say? तूने क्या बोला bro? It's too funny.
मैं अपना खुद का सोच नहीं जानता हूँ भाई, ना समझता हूँ.
That's so real, bro.
No,
No one
but-
knows anything today. What were we talking about?
We're talking
Yeah,
about
what the
OnlyFans.
fuck have we
Dude,
been
some
talking
about-
about?
Talking about
okay?
Chest
OnlyFans?
bumps.
Yeah.
No, we're talking about slapping people. I was saying something. Have you ever like dreamt of like you running from anything in like a situation and you just can't run fast?
You like
You know what that
yeah.
dream means, no?
Sandstorm
I don't know
वाला
what
ना?
the fuck it
Sandstorm
means.
नहीं.
But anytime you're running
Sandstorm and
somewhere,
quicksand.
Quicksand.
if you're running in a dream, you can't run fast.
Yeah, you can't run.
Yeah.
You can't even
Is
swim.
it just me or does this happen?
It's a
What is
sign
it? Of what?
that you're
Yes,
stressed and
yes,
you're
तू
trying
ही
to run away
ज्योति
from
बन गया है
something.
भाई. He plays
ऐसा
these
कुछ
cards.
नहीं
Jochi
है.
नहीं, bro. It's
ऐसा कुछ भी
These
नहीं
fucking
है.
cards, bro.
थोड़ा line में आ
कुछ भी
जाते हो ना.
चूतिया ही नहीं सुना रहा है भाई.
कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
It's a
just
sign.
something to
it
do.
is, bro. You're
A
stressed
sign
out.
of what?
You're
You-
stressed
you're
out.
telling
You're
me-
trying to.
You're telling me you've never dreamt of like running.
I have, bro. I dream of
you've
it every
been
night.
able
That's why I said it's a sign of being stressed out.
You can't run fast in dreams.
No,
You-
it's true. Whatever
It
you're trying to
is.
get away from, you can't get away from.
Yeah.
The worst is the one where I've had the one where you can't move.
Yeah.
Sleep
paralysis. It's so much fun.
Oh, fun.
Fuck that, bro.
Fun.
Fuck
It's too much
that.
fun.
And I'm claustrophobic, so I don't
Yeah.
like. Fuck that,
He
bro.
doesn't like it. You all like it.
No, no.
I've had it
It's
like a few
fucking
times and
insane,
it's insane, bro. It's too good.
How is
Wait,
it
what?
good? How is
Yeah,
it
bro,
good?
like-
No, but wait. भाई तुम सही में सोशियोपैथ बन गया भाई ये क्या मेरे लगा यार बकचोदी चल रहा है bro.
That's real, bro. For
I've
him.
never experienced sleep paralysis because like no.
गांड फटती है, bro. You're
हाँ,
like,
भाई.
you don't know if you're awake.
Dude,
and
exactly.
your
That's the
body
best
is
part of
just-
it.
So what do you see yourself sleeping?
Yeah, you can see yourself.
No, you
from
know
your-
you're
can't
asleep,
move.
but you can't move.
And you can't speak either.
You can't speak either.
So
yeah.
I
You're
used
trying
to.
to. Do you try to yell when
Yeah,
that
I
happens?
tried to yell to
And
wake
you
up my
can't.
roommate. When I had it, I tried to yell
That's
2 or 3
happened.
times.
And you can't
That's
do
happened.
anything.
Yeah.
You just have to.
You just have to accept fate, yeah.
Yeah.
That's so scary.
Is that a
Why?
coma? Like a
It's
small coma? Because
Is that a dark
you're here but you're not here.
I don't think so.
It's
Nahin,
a new
huh?
character.
If you need to talk ever, bro,
I will,
I'm
I'll
one
give you a
call
call,
away,
yeah.
bro. I
Oh
can't
my
give you any
God.
intelligent advice, but
Some good advice.
No, I don't think dreams mean anything.
Of course, they mean something.
They
No,
don't
I
mean
think they do.
anything.
They do mean
Dreams
something.
always mean something.
You dream for like 30 seconds, you know that, right? No.
Yeah.
Not even
I
like
don't know.
lesser than that.
I don't know the duration and all, but you dream.
Yeah.
You feel like you've dreamt a long time, but it's actually just like a minute or something.
that's true. I don't think they mean anything like in a like spiritual or metaphysical sense, but I
Yeah.
think in a psychological way they do. Like on a very humanist level, I think
Yeah.
it makes sense. Like if you stress, you dream to deal with your stress.
Yeah, if you're thinking about something a lot.
Yeah.
But like sometimes I've had the most random people just turn up in my dreams.
That happens.
That is
Yeah.
weird. That
So,
is
like-
weird.
That's because
yeah.
they're thinking of you.
Again,
No,
you
really,
have-
really,
now I know that you're bullshitting. So I'm not believing because I'm very gullible. Okay, like I believe shit
ये
like
सब
this.
तो
ये सब तो चलता है
Like
भाई.
if
ये
some-
सब तो होता है, bro.
If some like tantric, I'm saying, if some like palm reader and all, like if they tell me something, like I take that shit seriously. I'm like, okay, shit. I went for a tarot reading recently,
Oh.
and like I was like, when will I get married?
Why do you have to ask questions? Just let the cards do the talking, no?
she will tell me now.
ठीक है, tell me what that whole
Tarot reading
situation was like.
basically, you have to ask a question because that like they also gauge like what's the most important thing to you in your life. So I always want to know when I'm getting married, dude. So I was like, when will I get married? And she just goes like, she turns the card. She's like, and she just looked very disappointed. So I was like, shit. Okay. I've never seen, because usually like they lie, right? I don't know if they lie or not. But she looked at the cards and she was like, she looked stressed, okay? She turned it.
Sorry, ma'am. Bad news.
नहीं हो पाएगा यार.
I swear to God, bro, she turned the cards. She's like, as if maybe she hopes for something better. Then next one, she's like, and then again, and I was like, wow, what is going on, bro? Like, can you just tell me what's happening? And then she's like, you know, you're not emotionally ready. You want to be financially ready, and you're not there either. So you're not getting married anytime soon. And I was like, okay, that was not so bad. Like, why was she getting so stressed? So, but then when I asked her, like, okay, you know, work-wise.
Define soon, you should have asked her, no?
That, like, she doesn't know now, or like, it's subjective. So
How much you paid for this thing?
I didn't pay.
अच्छा, फिर ठीक है. Then it's fine.
ठीक है,
Then I
अगर
feel like
काटा
it's
तो फिर ठीक है.
ठीक है.
मुफ्त में चूतिया काटने दो भाई. वो तो चलता है भाई.
वो तो एंटरटेनमेंट है.
बस पैसा लेके लूट के चूतिया काटोगे तो खराब लगेगा भाई.
See, then she would have told you कि अरे मैडम next year आपकी शादी होने वाली.
Yeah, you should hire you
Slipped like a 500 का
No,
note.
but so many people.
Then you change your fortune.
That's
Yeah.
not changing it.
Just turn this card, no?
Now you turn this one and tell what
मेरे को
it means.
चौथा कार्ड दे दो वहाँ से वो वाला.
Oh
Bro,
my
but don't
God.
you feel like it's like they can kind of read people a little bit
Yeah.
and they
They
go
do
according
that.
to
Yeah,
that?
of course they do.
They say like very generic things also.
Yeah.
Like I remember the first ever like Jyotish, whatever. I was in 10th, I think, and he was like, "You will settle abroad. You will have a lot of money." Basically, what every Indian family wants to hear. They never say anything bad.
Like a
उसको पे
generic.
किए थे ना?
नहीं, we didn't.
Hey, don't lie now.
उसको
Everyone
पैसा
doesn't
दिया
charge you.
था. तुम्हारा सब अच्छा होगा भाई. तुम्हारा.
This was in
एक
Mahabaleshwar.
200 तो दिए होंगे ना
Yeah.
चाय के लिए. हाँ ठीक है.
This was no.
Chai
This was
bhai.
like this was these people.
नाश्ता भी हुआ है.
मैं जो बच्चा को भी खिला दिया भाई.
When you go to Mahabaleshwar,
Yeah.
you have all those horses named Badal and Ritik. And
Badsha also their name.
Dude, I love those horses.
Shahrukh also they have. They used to always have a
is my
Shahrukh.
favorite. Dude.
Big Boss घोड़ा.
Big
huh?
Boss
I've
Ghoda.
never seen a Big
And
Boss.
then they're not even like horses, bro. They're poor ponies, like, and they're roaming around everywhere. And there's like these onion pakoras. It's such a vibe.
It's a vibe. Yeah, for sure.
And Jyotish used to sit there. We went and gave him like $200-300, I think. He told me, आप मतलब बहुत पैसा कमाओगे ये वो ऐसा बोला. And then after that I went in Delhi Haat. This guy paid 500 rupees, but he told me that आपको प्यार में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा. पैसा दे के मेरे को बोला ये. So I was like, fuck bro, ये मैंने उसको पैसा दिया. Maybe he's saying the truth.
नहीं वो अनट्रिगर्ड एपिसोड्स देख के बोला. वो पक्का एपिसोड्स देख के बोला.
ये मैडम को मैंने रील्स पे देखा है. इसका चूतिया काटता हूँ अभी.
कोई तीसरा रील देख रहे हैं इसका भाई.
अरे, this is way before I ever did all of this.
Okay,
like,
okay,
this
okay.
is when I was like 1K. I was working at like a hotel and all. It was very different.
yeah.
So he told me like whatever relationship, and I was like, fuck, because I thought so, in a good relationship that time. You know, I was dating the most insane ex I have. Like he was
Hindsight is always
batshit
20/20.
crazy.
Yeah.
But that time I was like in love. I was like, wow, oh my god, you know, मैं तो इसी से शादी करूँगी ऐसा. So like ये क्यों बोल रहा है ऐसा? मेरी तो शादी होने वाली है. And I was wrong. And then he told me, पर आप मॉडल बनोगे, आप मतलब एक्टिंग करोगे. And then my friend who was sitting with me, she was like, bro, you shouldn't have taken off your mask because you're pretty now, so he'll obviously say something like this. I was like, that's not wrong. That was also like a mixed experience. Then after that, I stopped paying for this shit. I was like, you know what? Then I went on Stuvi's show and
Bro, what I said came true, okay?
Bro,
Everything I said came true.
what were the predictions?
I
What were the
don't even
predictions?
Even I don't remember. But I just know it came true.
he just said anything.
कौन सा रोड छाप बाबा है भाई? इसको अपना एडवाइस छाप नहीं है भाई. ये क्या है?
सबसे गलीच.
सबसे गलीच.
सबसे गलीच भाई.
I'm loving this new character, bro. Loving it, bro. Actually,
मेरा ज्योतिष cocaine reels देखता है.
sociopath
Transportation.
Baba over here, bro.
Oh no, man. No, so So yeah, this lady, she told me whatever. She told me that just stay. There's a lot of distractions in your life right now. It's in that, and I was like, how to tell her I have ADHD? Like distractions.
Maybe she's talking about some other distractions.
There are no other distractions in my life right now.
Mm.
I'm very like, there's nothing to distract me, bro. I don't even talk to half the people I know. So like, there's nothing happening like that. But yeah, so I feel like there is some truth to it, but they also say generic shit, which is just like
Most of it is generic shit that everyone feels on a
have you
human level,
have
bro.
you never gotten like a
I'm
palm reading?
Oh.
super skeptic. It's
Yeah.
like I don't believe in anything, to be honest.
मैंने भी कभी
but-
किया नहीं
I
है
want to
ऐसे
see.
एक बार try करेंगे तो.
You should.
Yeah.
Plus
एक
you're
बार.
white.
Yeah. White
So?
है और चूतिया काटेगा.
भाई he has to pay 3 times for the same
नहीं मैं
Exactly.
उसको पूरा पक्का एकदम भोजपुरी में बोलूंगा बहन जो
हाँ.
चूतिया काटेगा ना भाई. तेरा
तेरे
credit
को-
cards गांड में घुसा देंगे भाई. एकदम सही से बताना फ्यूचर. अमीर होंगे ना हाँ सही है. लो 5 रुपया.
$5 for all these abuses.
बोलेगा, मैं बोल रहा हूँ आप अमीर हो गए, आप मेरे को 5 रुपए दे रहे हो.
Yeah.
But he's yet to become ना.
Yeah,
होने के बाद और देंगे.
होने के बाद तो दे देंगे जो भी है.
No, but I want to see like how they'll change their, predictions, seeing that, you're white.
Yeah.
That'd be very entertaining to see.
See like the foreigner version of it or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm foreigner until I talk to them. Then they're
Everything
like,
is just
then they're
about
like,
foreigner
"Bhai,
in India. dude.
Yeah,
ये
that's
सब
true.
कश्मीरी लोग बहुत गोरा होते जा रहे हैं. Once I start talking, they're like, नहीं
नहीं.
ये चूतिया बना रहा है मुझको भाई.
Yeah.
मैं इसको चूतिया बनाने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, ये मुझको चूतिया बना रहा है bro. ऐसा पूछता है भाई तुम विदेश में काफी साल रह चुके हो, थोड़ा अमेरिकन एक्सेंट आ रहा है.
हाँ.
I said, thank you, bro. You got it opposite. That's good. No, I'll try it. I'll try it. I'm super skeptic, like, on everything in life. So I would like to try
That's a
it.
good way to live your life. You should be wary of everything.
Yeah.
It's not a good way to live life.
It is
bro.
a great way to live life because there
You
are
can't be
chickens
skeptical
being
about
fucking
everything.
like injected with weird shit. You should be skeptical of everything.
I
Hmm.
mean,
That's
like,
just life.
I'm not skeptical about, like, science. And
Yeah.
shit, but I mean, like, when it comes to, like, the metaphysical, whatever, I'm more
Yeah.
skeptical, So in that regard, I would like to try it because I don't believe it.
Yeah.
There
So
are
if they
people-
can convince me, I'm like,
Yeah.
okay.
fair enough.
There's
Open
something there,
to
you know.
like having a conversation and like.
Yeah.
I was like fully
yeah.
atheist until like 2 years ago, and now I feel like maybe there's like something spiritual. I don't know. The vibes seem different now.
Yeah,
So like, and there are people who think the Earth is flat. So like,
that's true.
They're just stupid.
That's the one
There
thing
are
I've never
idiots
been.
also.
I've never been atheist.
oh,
Like the world
You're
is
religious.
No, not religious either. But I've always believed in a God. Like
Okay.
I've never been atheist and like atheist, like no God at all. I always believe that there is a God because the world's so wild and people are so wild and nature is so wild. I'm like कुछ तो होगा भाई.
Yeah.
ये सब बकचोदी अपने आप नहीं होता
just the
भाई.
consequence. Just the like common things that keep happening, like the
Yeah.
random like
It's so
coincidences.
crazy.
It's so weird. I don't know.
And like the human eye, quantum physics, like all these crazy things in our reality are like, it's like, bro, there's got to be some kind of designer or something. But uske alawa मैं कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ भाई.
There's this show
Yeah.
called The Good Place. Have you watched it?
No, but I've heard about it.
It's basically about the afterlife, okay? And it's a scripted thing. It's really cool though. They basically imagine what the afterlife is like. It's a very, very nice show. And there's this like scene in it where they talk about like how close have they gotten to imagining what God is really like. And there's the person who's like the angel, whatever, he's sitting. This angel is in a suit. He's chilling. Okay, he's like old man, whatever. And there's this photo of this stoned guy on the wall. And they're like, oh my God, this guy is like the greatest guy ever. Okay, and this chick who's just died and entering heaven, she's like, why? What's up? And then he's like, he's the closest any human ever got to describing God. So he was like, yeah, he was just, I don't know what, he smoked something and then he just imagined God and he described God and we were all like, wow, he's so close, he must really know something about life. And then they framed this dude with red ass fucking eyes. And it was a very cool, like, I was just like, wow, bro, imagine like if God is just not anything of what we imagine and just do some random dude chilling doing like weird shit.
Yeah, fascinating
if?
thought, like God being a character like that.
Yeah.
थोड़ा
It's like
unbelievable.
Akshay Kumar and Oh My God, like on a
हाँ
fucking
वही है ना वही है ना
like Lambo. I was like,
I
let's
haven't
go.
seen that movie.
तूने नहीं
Language,
देखा
oh my God.
he's
तू क्या कर
God
रहा है भाई?
What I'm supposed to watch? Oh my god!
Oh my
She's like,
God
तुम
is-
क्या कर
one
रहा है भाई?
second. Oh My God is a great movie.
Isn't
It's
it
like-
supposed to like break your concept of God or something like that? Challenge your.
Not, I mean, yeah.
थोड़ा तो करता है क्योंकि there's a legal battle in the movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very cool. It's a very nice movie.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm surprised you haven't watched
They
it.
were suing God in that movie, like for
Yeah.
That's
context.
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If God is real, he
Huh.
has to be uncomprehendable. Like
Damn,
the human
that's-
mind can't. If
Yeah.
God is a real thing, हम लोग से नहीं हो
It
पाएगा.
can't be as
हम लोग नहीं
easy
समझ
as
पाएंगे.
like a
Yeah.
statue or something.
No,
like
no,
that,
no, no, no,
right?
no. I think it's like I'm not saying that other religions haven't figured out the right ways to, whatever. That's all different. But I'm just mean the overall, like the highest form, whatever. If he's real, he's got to be uncomprehendable. Like he can't be like something that we can even put like
Fathom, like, we
words
can't- we-
into,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because this is like the dude that like,
Did all of this.
did this shit, bro.
Yeah.
Like he's out here.
He's responsible for this.
Yeah, bro. He's
For
responsible.
us hanging out on a Wednesday night
Yeah, he's
on your
Yeah.
birthday.
Wednesday?
Yeah, I think it's Wednesday.
It's, wow.
I have no idea.
I
what-
have-
It is Wednesday.
I forgot it was 2024, bro. So we're we're way behind over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Before you know it, you'll be in 2025,
Shit.
and then you'll be like, oh my God, May was like yesterday.
And then I'll have to watch. Oh my god.
This is what
Yeah.
I was literally feeling that today. I was like, what the hell, bro? Where
Yeah,
is
bro.
May?
This year is gone by so fast.
Dude.
Half of it.
Exactly.
You still
I'm
have half
saying.
of it. You still
Half
have
of it is done, which is what is crazy. That we're done with half the year, bro.
Did
Don't
you do
even say
anything
that.
monumental in this year?
I don't know. I feel like this year's been fun though.
Yeah.
It's been fun. Like I've
Yeah.
been really.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
think I've ever
Like, touch wood.
enjoyed this much in my life.
Yeah.
But I also feel like I've done. Yes. Knock wood. I don't think I've done anything like, oh my God, I should be proud of myself.
Hmm.
I don't know how to like feel about that because like this constant criticism is like a very recurring theme in my life. Like I'm always critical of what I'm doing,
Okay.
and I've just done nothing this year. I've just like
Nothing. How can you say you've done nothing this year?
I'm just chilling at home making reels, dude.
So that's
So
work,
that's also
right?
Yeah, but
something.
that's
Isn't
work.
that
That's
work
your
for
career.
you?
Hi.
Huh?
Have my biggest fear is like being on a page like Influencers in the Wild. It's so
Now you
scary.
understood why Kareena Kapoor looks down upon influencers.
I also don't do dances on the beach, to be fair.
Mhm.
We'll wait for that day.
I'm not going to dance.
You're not going to dance.
I'm not a dancer.
Me
That's
too.
not
I feel
my-
that.
Yeah.
It'll be funny though. Like for
I'll
some
wait for
brand
you
you
to be
can
on a
do.
beach, Stuvi.
I'll do that. I'll dance on the beach.
Stewie will be dancing on the beach. क्या हुआ? ये chair ऊपर करना
ऊपर करूं कैसे अभी I'll sit like this.
है? that's not a good solution.
Okay.
Chair नीचे कर लेना. You just
नीचे
have-
करूं
ऊपर लेके नीचे.
ऊपर की नीचे
Just stand up one
I'll
second.
sit like
stand,
this.
Stand,
more
stand.
ऊपर. Should I just sit?
Stand now 1 second. Stand. You go will take it up. Ah.
sit.
Wow. I feel like I'm taller now.
Woman in a man's
ठीक है.
world. We hooked you
Yeah.
up.
Did you all decide wearing black? All of you?
We didn't.
This was coordinated.
Yeah. Was this?
It was.
It was.
We
Yeah.
talked.
all
Coordinated.
decided that
Men
you all
in
will
black.
prove to me
Yeah.
that I belong to a man's world.
एक
How
second.
horrible. of
Whoa,
you.
whoa, whoa,
Whoa.
whoa. We didn't go there.
Wait.
We didn't go that far. we were just talking about what were we talking
हम
about?
तो
We're
मस्ती
talking
कर रहे
about
हैं.
me being on a beach dancing.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
Stewie will be on a beach dancing
No,
soon.
I
bro.
was talking about how like I just don't feel like I've done anything monumental this year.
That's fine.
But you doing just what you're doing, Abhi, is also important for you to do something monumental later.
Yeah, I
this
have
year.
like those phases where I'm like sometimes I'm looking out of my window. I'm like people look at like trains
Yeah.
on like reels and they're like Bombay life, Mumbai ki zindagi. And like I'm just chilling in my house.
But that's your way of living Mumbai ki zindagi,
No,
bro.
no, no. I'm just saying like it's crazy how I'm doing that and like so many
Yeah,
people
exactly.
want to
But
do this.
Yeah.
Even if one monumental thing happens in 1 year,
That's a
good.
big thing, yeah.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
like if it one monumental thing happens even in 2 or 3 years, right?
Yeah. Also, I think
That's-
that's subjective. Also, like
Exactly.
what's monumental
Yeah.
is also subjective. So, yeah.
But if you consider monumental something really big, right? Like then It's not gonna happen all the time.
Yeah.
This motherfucker's won an award from the PM of India.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He
you
has-
didn't know this.
he met our honorable
There's a
Prime
photo of him with the
Minister.
Prime Minister.
What
But
are
that
you
was my
saying?
first monumental thing in years. You
It's-
know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's what I'm telling
exactly.
you. Like that's what I was thinking.
monumental. Like, that's
That is
so
an
cool.
actual-
What
yeah.
for? What though?
बकचोदी करने के लिए.
He's the influencer.
For selling
They influence-
insurance to meth head truck drivers.
And the award goes to
इसको बड़ा भाई.
Let's go, bro.
इसका
After
award.
party.
अंधेरी में आ जा बैठ
अंधेरी में आजा, address यहाँ पे है भाई.
Oh fuck. Yeah.
That's insane. Oh my god!
Yeah.
But that's so cool. You
Yeah.
got an award for making content.
Yeah, for content. Yeah, for content.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
I didn't even know this was a thing.
Yeah,
It was all over the internet, bro.
I guess I'm not chronically online.
Yeah.
That is actually more impressive than any of Karina's achievements, I would say.
Hey.
नहीं 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 नहीं
I
नहीं
think she's
ऐसा
won
मत
a
बोलो.
national
Bro,
award. no?
ऐसा मत बोलो भाई.
But उसको तो
Has she won a
हाँ.
national award for acting?
acting मिला तो रहेगा, I would say.
She has, right?
मिला तो रहेगा.
Yeah.
She has been pretty good.
Why
But
are
that's what I'm
I
saying.
don't
No,
know. I haven't
like
talked about Kareena
Yeah,
Kapoor.
exactly.
I don't know. I don't know.
But yeah, you tell
to
about
give you
your
some
thing.
encouragement though, as far as how the year went, like मैं कुछ monumental like 5 साल में नहीं किया हूँ, है ना? So like
वो subjective है यार.
वो subjective है, but है ना?
For him, for him,
for
you,
me, I'll
you.
just say for
Okay.
me, right? So like वो कभी ना कभी होता है if you're, you know, maybe nothing else will happen for whatever amount
Yeah.
of time, right? So
Yeah.
I don't know. But dude, I will say bro, like the Prime Minister of India is a natural content creator. वो room में आया और वो ऐसा बोलता हाँ, you know, hello, नमस्कार सबको, और सब obviously got excited. मोदी जी करने लगा और फिर मोदी जी बोलता है अच्छा ठीक है बस थोड़ा वाइब चेक करना था. हम बोले भाई
guy,
ये
this
कंटेंट
guy.
बनाने लगेगा तो हम सबको हरा देंगे भाई. जॉबलेस हो जाएंगे. We're gonna be unemployed of unemployed.
That is so cool. Though.
Actually unemployed.
I would,
Yeah.
that is so cool.
He's a
Imagine him
legend on the
saying
mic.
that.
He's a legend on the
true.
mic.
That's
yeah.
true.
Yeah.
He knows what he's saying.
Mhm.
That's so cool.
Yeah. So it was fun, but
But what did you get
vibe
this?
check करना था. I'm like चलो अपना ही आदमी आ गया भाई.
But what did you get this award for? Like what was the
Best foreign creator.
Hmm.
Yeah. There's
That's
like
so cool.
yeah,
dude.
because believe it or not, there's like a drove of us.
Yeah.
There's a lot of like
Yeah.
there's a lot of like ladies, who like will marry Indian guys and learn Hindi and go live like the India life.
Oh
seen
yeah,
those
yeah, we've
girls.
seen
That's
these.
a,
Yeah.
that's
I've
a
seen
thing. And
this,
then there's
that.
like there's a lot of foreign kids who grew up in India
Competition
too.
hai, competition
right?
hai.
Yeah. So like
Yeah.
you know my my homie Charlie, shout out to
Yeah.
Charlie's Kahani. Like he, you know, he does Hindi. He's a Korean that grew up in India all his life, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
aisa bahut hai bhai. So yeah, bro, that became a category for whatever reason.
That's pretty
So-
cool.
Yeah,
And the
that's
fact
a
that we
big
have the
one,
best
bhai.
in the business.
Best in the
Arey
biz,
bhai,
always on
na
our
mat
good,
kaho.
bhai. Always.
Hamara
always.
favorite
I'm in the
Siranga
best
hai.
in the business podcast.
Y'all are like the best in the business podcast, and he has a national award. And I make Get Ready With Me reels.
नहीं भाई, but
नहीं
you are
यार, अब untriggered का face
and
हूँ
you
यार.
are-
जब मैं untriggered के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ तो
Exactly.
बंदा
This is not
और
about-
फिर up.
Woman in a man's world wearing black t-shirts, all of you.
Do you also want one?
I have
You have
your
one?
mom's house party merch.
Hook her up with the untriggered merch, bro.
Yeah.
100%,
Y'all
100%.
should be doing merch though.
It's too early.
We'll get there at some
I
point.
like that.
Yeah, we'll do
Get
it,
there
of
at some
course, but
point.
not right now.
Yeah.
That's cool.
But why are you so hell bent on women in a man's world today?
I don't know, man. I've been feeling like
Something
Yeah,
going
I
on,
want
bro.
to hear the feminist thing a little
Yeah.
bit.
no,
थोड़ा
nothing like
कलेश
that.
करते हैं. I'm just kidding.
Nothing like that. I just, I don't know. I think I've been, every time I've been stepping out lately, like I've just realized how many men there are around me.
You are now just realizing that.
Just look at the fucking room.
हाँ, this room
It's so
okay, but
strange.
If
like
you come to our house,
ये थोड़ा लौंडा का पार्टी सीन है यहाँ
You
पे
came
भाई.
here.
ये थोड़ा लौंडा का जगह है
ये
भाई.
खुद से
हाँ.
जा देखो,
Oh my God.
अरे
But
why
you're
are
one
there so
of
many
the,
men?
you kind of have a bro vibe, so I would feel like you'd.
No,
you'd be,
that's fine. I understand that. What I'm saying is, in general, wherever I go, like I'm at the gym, there's like 3 girls total. I go to the station, there's so many men around. Like there's just more men than women. It's weird.
out, like outside
Just
and doing things.
anywhere.
You're saying like population.
Yeah. Why?
It's probably
How?
higher, na?
I
What's
don't
the
know.
numbers in India? Is it more male
Yeah.
in India?
I don't
It
think
is?
we've done a.
We have a
Bro,
Haryana.
census kabhi hota
I
hai,
mean,
bhai?
but
Like,
some
when do we
overall
get the
it's actually more
information?
women, right? Like it's like 51%
Is it?
women.
What?
Global. I'm talking
Global, global.
Just global. I don't know
Okay.
any
I
country
don't
का
know.
statistics.
There are more.
मुझे
Can
कुछ
we-
नहीं आती है
मुझे भी
भाई.
पता
मैं-
Can we
yeah.
check?
Can we check, bhai?
Yeah.
Are there
Can we
more
check?
women in
I'm
the
pretty
world?
sure.
than
India
men?
In the world.
I think
in
the
world.
last
What
it
is
was done
the
was like
sex
2011.
ratio? It's called sex ratio.
That's crazy. In
Jamie,
India
pull
to-
it up.
In
Yeah.
India, to
Joe
Piyush,
Rogan
put it
joke.
Male is majority, so it's like 108 males per 100 females.
हाँ, तो
Oh
108 पे
shit.
100
I guess
वैसे.
I'm.
That's
Sorry.
in India.
Sorry.
This is 2020.
This is 2020.
Okay.
बहुत काफी
4
पुराना.
साल में क्या ही बदल जाएगा
एक
वैसे?
बार देखे थे कि थोड़ा सा like I mean I'm talking 0.5 1% there's a difference but yeah.
So
Yeah.
either way, it
Anyway.
won't be too far like
No, I
up
don't
or
have
down.
an issue
Yeah.
with it. No,
Huh.
I don't have an issue with
No,
it.
bro. According to what I pulled up, it says India's sex ratio in 2023 is 1,020 females per 1,000 male.
That is
Men
Men
so
in
not
a women's world, bro. Talk about the
Exactly.
Man in a
struggle
women's
out
world
here,
in
bro.
Yeah. असली
We still
The
ठीक है,
numbers are saying
बॉम्बे
this.
में मुझे ज्यादा मर्द दिख रहे हैं अब क्या अब क्या करूं
निकल जाओ भाई.
यू नो ऑनेस्टली
नहीं,
मैं
man,
मुझे
of course
जाने
not,
का
of
मन
course
है
not.
बॉम्बे से
Rural
मेरा
areas में तो
क्यों
it's
कहाँ
worse, bro.
जाओगी?
rural areas में it's worse.
Rural
Yeah, it's
areas में क्या हो रहा है
985 women to 1,000 men.
Oh fuck.
It's not
Would you,
even a
would you
1:1
actually leave
ratio.
though? Would you actually leave?
I want to
And where will
I'm
you go?
curious
if
where
you-
you'd go though.
Yeah,
I
that's
want to live like somewhere more peaceful.
what- Goa or something.
Goa is peaceful.
South Goa is
Yeah.
peaceful.
Goa is
South
extremely
Goa is
peaceful.
super.
No,
super
I
peaceful.
was
Depends where you
I had
choose to.
more of like a you know northeast vibe. Just go chill, you know, clean water, clean air. My skin will look better. I'll just be like happier, eating better food. I'll know that my vegetables are pure.
Nothing, no injections.
Testy.
Testy. New word of the day. Testy
That was
vibe.
so funny. I was just like, are you injecting yourself?
Yeah, man, it doesn't look like I am anyway.
No,
Which is-
bro, I noticed you're doing something, bro.
Yeah, some moves are being made
Dude,
for
some
sure.
moves are being made.
That's good.
सब moves मुझे नहीं जानना है
नहीं,
आप बनाओ.
थोड़ा मोड़ा जो हो रहा है चलाओ दौड़ाओ जो करना है करो
But there are people who take steroids and all like when
Yeah,
you're
of course
working
they
out.
do.
Yeah.
But isn't that like really harmful?
No, there's some data showing actually that like in some managed doses, like you can get in the US, you can get even steroids from some doctors. But it's very, it's not like, we're not talking like Juice Head, like Giant, The Rock.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, just like some steroids.
Because every time I see like The Rock or even Jason Momoa's fine, but like what's that guy? Arnold.
John Cena.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Arnold's full juice.
Dude.
He's full juice.
Bro, like, is
He's
it
full of
humanly
juice.
possible to
No.
be like that?
no,
Like,
no,
it's
no, 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 no.
insane.
It's not possible.
They've got like vada pav on their stomach, bro. It's like
That used to be Batista. Do you all remember? He used to have like a
He was-
dairy.
he was
and he had like
he had
abs on
abs
a
on the
dairy.
dairy.
Which was crazy,
No,
bro.
but that
नहीं,
happens when you get
WWE
off
पूरा
steroids.
steroids है भाई.
हाँ,
Of course. Did you see
Still, bro.
Vince McMahon, bro? When he came
No.
back to wrestling, bro, he
Oh,
was fucking
dude.
juiced.
He's doing cocaine and tests, boy. Talking that wild shit, bro.
100%.
I've never
100%
watched
bhai.
wrestling. I only know that one guy, Rey
Mysterio.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then when he took off his mask, he looked like such a little. He was like, oh.
Looked like
रे
a
भाई कहाँ
baby.
हो
Is that why he
यार?
wears
ये
the
शादी
mask?
करना चाहती है भाई.
He's married, bro.
Ray
He
has a son, bro.
Oh, fuck.
who's-
And his son is also
He's
in
American,
WWE.
right?
He's an asshole.
Oh, divorce चलता है
He's
वहाँ पे
an
चला
American,
गया.
no? He's an asshole.
He
Oh,
is.
his son. Let about his son.
His
Let
son,
about
his son, his
Why
son.
is he what?
His
What did he
character
do?
is basically an
His
asshole.
son is
His-
also a part of WWE.
Is WWE
Yeah.
still
Yeah.
relevant?
Of course,
Bro,
bro. It's
it's-
very relevant.
That's
We
If
watch
you-
it every
pretty
night.
bad. If you don't live under a
my
rock.
favorite part of WWE is always going to be Khalli.
Yeah. They really-
Khali was like the
Okay.
first guy who
He's
brought
so
it to
iconic,
India.
bro.
Yeah.
He's
Great
so
Khalli.
iconic.
He's a legend.
I think we should get him on here. sometime.
Great
That'd be
Khali.
crazy, bro.
Get him
Maza
on,
Yeah,
bro.
we should definitely do an
You need
episode
to
of
like
Khali.
leave him here, and then
Yeah.
all of you sit over
We'll,
there.
like the mic will look so small in front of him,
Because
bro.
he'll take up the whole table.
Bro, he's 7'2". 7
Dude, that
foot 2.
guy is fucking
Fit होगा? Fit हो
huge.
जाएगा?
आराम से.
नहीं मतलब
no,
सीलिंग का थोड़ा लफड़ा हो
he'll
सकता है.
just be
but
like,
No, he'll be like here or
right up
something.
there.
He'll be like near the AC.
No, he'll well,
dude,
Maybe the
that's
fan.
crazy though. Imagine being that like huge.
Yeah, it is.
I love the
I
ads they
feel
do
bad
with him.
though. I feel
But
bad for
yaar,
someone that.
you live
dude,
kind of
it's
like
so
a
inconvenient.
It
It's
is
very
very
inconvenient.
यार
भाई. No
एयरप्लेन
one is
में
gonna look at
लौड़ा
it.
लग जाता होगा भाई 3
Exactly,
सीट
bro.
But
भाई
he's khali, man.
And your legs, bro. Imagine
he
your
can
knees.
pay enough for first
Yeah,
class
he
and
can
leg
buy
space.
first
But
right?
that's
class.
now. That's
Now
now.
he can,
Imagine
but
when
like
he
we
was.
don't know his
Yeah,
like
yeah.
story, na?
If there's someone like him who has like a growth defect and then
Yeah, I feel
he
like
has
being
it.
too tall is also a curse.
Yeah,
Yeah, for sure.
yeah, that's true.
But you'd
like,
rather be taller than be.
But you
Like
don't want
us.
to be like 7 feet tall.
Or you don't want to be
Nah.
3 foot tall also, na? 4 foot tall
that's
also,
not
na?
being tall. That's short.
That's not. Yeah, exactly.
3 foot
Yeah,
tall.
what would
like,
you
whatever.
rather?
I'd
What
rather
would you
be
rather?
my height
Huh.
than be 7 foot. Of course, I'd rather be 6
Of
foot than
course,
my
yeah,
height.
I'm not. वही तो सवाल है ना?
5'10",
That's my
6
question.
foot, 5'10" को
उतना
हटा
थोड़ा
देता.
सा मतलब you want like little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit. Everybody wants 2-3 inches,
I
right?
wanna be
you know what I'm
shorter.
saying, bro? You know what I'm saying?
Every now and
right? सब कुछ चाहिए भाई.
सबको हंसी आ रही है
वो
मुझे
तो
नहीं
हम
आ
हर
रही.
बंदा agree कर सकता है, bro. But I think yeah, 1-2 feet too much. Bro.
I want to be shorter.
You would want to be
What?
shorter than
I
what
wanna
you
be
are right
shorter,
now.
yeah.
Why? How tall are
Because
you?
like all the boys are like they lie about their height on dating apps.
Oh, you want more
And-
options.
And just in general, men lie about their height. Why
Yeah.
do you all do that?
What do you mean? Why
if
do you
you're
all do
6 foot, just say don't. If you're 5'10", don't say you're 6 foot.
I'm a proud 5'10". 5'10" and a half.
Yeah,
See, you have to add that half.
5'10" and a half.
own it. Now,
5'10" and a half.
Yeah.
No, but that's a different thing. I just feel like my personality. I have a short girl personality.
Yeah, you have a very annoying like.
Yeah,
The small
like,
girls,
I'm
yeah.
like, like,
Say why?
I agree with my guest.
Yeah.
true.
How
though.
tall are you?
I'm 5'6".
The short girl ही तो बन गई.
हाँ, मतलब see, I tell you
No,
internationally.
5'10".
5'10".
So-
No,
Bro,
no, no.
internationally you're
I'm not,
short.
I'm not saying it's bad. Like,
Huh.
I'm just saying like.
I'm not short. I'm like in somewhere in the middle. Like
It's
according
taller
to the
than
general,
average, I would say.
Yeah.
Average
For
Indian
India,
woman,
you're tall.
I'm
Okay,
tall.
Yeah.
for
For an
average,
Indian woman,
yeah,
you're tall.
that's fair. That's
Like in
fair.
America, I'd be like
Average.
average.
That's what I'm saying.
No, in America,
No,
I'd be
no,
short.
less than
But
short.
ha-
short.
So then-
average is good, right? Like average is better than being tall, and then you're very
yeah,
limited.
yeah. No, I'm
Yeah.
saying
No,
for
yeah.
like my see around me, mostly like Indian women are shorter. Like 5'5"
Sure.
is like the average height.
Sure.
I feel like
So you're
I'm just
5'6", bro. Or you're acting like
not
you're
5.
some-
Sorry, 5'2",
2 or 5'3"
5'3" is
must
the
be.
average.
Yeah.
5 actually.
I feel like I'm
Five.
too
Five तो
tall
नहीं हो सकता।
for
Five
my
है।
personality.
Close
5
to
feet
5.
tall
Five
is
तो
the
बहुत छोटा है भाई.
bro.
Exactly.
4'11" and below is a short person.
5'1", 5'2", 5'3" is what I usually know girls to be
Ha,
around.
exactly. Most girls are
5 is
5'2".
too small.
Most
5 is
girls
too
are 5'2".
Yeah, 5'2",
Yeah.
5'3" usually.
But on an
Anyway.
international average, you're very like you're short /
Yeah.
Very,
average.
very
Yeah.
short.
Yeah.
Very short.
Yeah. पूरा सेंसस ले रहे तो वही आएगा.
उनको
We've
थोड़ी मेरी
discussed
personality
population,
समझ
we've
आएगी.
discussed sex ratio,
Crazy.
discussed height, average height.
But yeah, मतलब ये ऐसा what do you say like
सेंसस
news
में
report.
जाएगा.
Do you want to know
लंड का size की बात
everything
करेंगे
that's
अभी।
happening?
कभी सेंसस
सब ले लेंगे आज। नहीं रहे तो
Learned का census.
ये क्या
लर्न
होता
का
है?
सेंसस हो सकता है मतलब.
there is
होता
ना
है.
average
Oh yeah, learned का
average
census
dick
भी होता है.
size.
Oh,
Yeah.
what
There
is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. मैं कभी सर्च नहीं
मैंने
करता
कभी search नहीं
मुझे
किया।
जानना नहीं है भाई.
Don't ask questions, you know.
What you don't know can't hurt you, bro. Fuck it.
एक बार गलती से गूगल कर दिए इनकॉग्निटो पे.
फिर दुख हो गया फिर
पता नहीं भाई 3-4 के बीच में.
I think 2 inches is average.
Yeah, bro. I think if you got more than an inch, you're chilling, bro.
Yeah, as long as you have one.
As long as you have one. है ना?
That's all that matters.
That's
Sorry.
I don't have
We
one.
got excited over here, guys.
I don't have
Sorry.
one. Am I
You
not
guys
important?
continue.
No,
You are.
You're important in
I
your
know
own way.
the average. I think it all depends on ethnicity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course,
like,
yeah.
Ethnicity.
Genetics matter.
Genetics,
Yeah.
Yeah, genetics for sure.
which comes whatever. So
Yeah.
I think Indian men are like, whatever. I think okay, but African men need to like calm the fuck down.
They
you
can't
know?
help it, bro.
But would you rather have that or
It's not like a
kurkure
bonza-
ka tukde, है ना? Like इसका levels होती है
किसका
भाई.
टुकड़ा?
कुरकुरे का
कुरकुरे का
टुकड़ा।
टुकड़े. टुकड़ा.
ऐसे
Hey,
टुकड़ों
that's
से
damn mean. That's damn
होता है
mean.
ना वो वाला, like the bent ones, bro.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
टेढ़े मेढ़े।
मेरा है बहनचोद.
See now this is the body shaming. Little
Hey,
bit.
this is not body, this is
अरे
reality.
तेरा है तो मेरा है. I'm proud,
I'm
bro.
proud of it. I'm owning it.
अरे थोड़ा लेफ्ट जाती है तो क्या होती है, लेफ्ट आगे आगे, राइट पीछे पीछे, है ना. थोड़ा जब भी मैट हो जाए वैनशोद. What's going on here? What are we on? Are we recording?
He went like Bollywood.
Yeah.
भाई थोड़ा पानी दे दो भाई. Bro, पानी सूट नहीं कर रहा भाई.
This is fucking hilarious, dude.
Shit.
नहीं वो पानी नहीं भाई, मजाक कर रहे थे भाई. सच में
भाई
पानी
थोड़ा
दे रहा है.
पानी पिला दो ना.
हाँ
That's
भाई.
too funny. Yeah, give me also.
Pani.
These cups say untriggered.
यार ये बहुत
It's very cool.
oh
It's so cool.
dude, loving this, bro. The like,
It's giving branded.
yeah, bro. But I like the cup choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very
You want some?
Desi vibe.
Desi.
है ना?
Desi.
Desi.
Desi. जो भी
Can't
है.
say
God,
desi.
You know, but it works because you're white. And if I heard like a
pani
brown
hai.
person say that, I would hate on them so hard.
So I get the
Be
white
like,
card
"Ah,
pass.
Desi क्या? Desi बोलना चुपचाप.
हाँ, cause
Yeah, because I'm not a South Delhi baya girl, ना.
Yeah.
That's
वो
what
तो
I'm saying.
irritating होती है.
Yeah.
मेरे पास
But
खुद accent
there's-
अच्छा नहीं है, but they
But I
irritate
don't
me.
like people who like make content like bringing these kind of girls down.
What do you mean?
Like I've been seeing like a couple of reels where these girls are just like pretending to be South Bombay girls and they're just like, मेरे पापा तो इधर से मेरे लिए बैग लाते हैं, and I'm like, why are you doing that? Leave them alone, bro. Like
That's their interpretation of how those people are. You know?
I don't know.
You
bro,
don't
like,
like someone
just-
roasting
Yeah.
rich kids?
No, not rich kids.
But these are just entitled, spoiled kids who talk about.
I think it's roastable.
I'm okay with people roasting someone who feels that they're entitled.
That's fair.
I think
Who-
it's
who actually
roastable if
are?
it's fake. If it's
No,
fake,
see, I'll tell you.
then it's roastable. Like if वो जानबूझ के वैसा accent लगा रही है,
Yeah.
then you have to roast it, bro.
It's an exaggeration, right?
क्योंकि अगर मैं अपने accent को ठीक कर सकता हूँ,
हाँ.
तो मैं ठीक कर लेता. But ये ऐसा ही निकलता है भाई. तो
Yeah.
मैं क्या
हाँ,
करूँ?
no, that's
है ना?
fair, that's
Yeah.
fair.
Yeah.
But like if it's purposely like trying to be whatever, then Bancho
Yeah,
roast कर
वही
लो.
तो.
Yeah.
But I know what you mean. If you're just being
Yeah.
a dick, right?
See,
Yeah.
if someone's born rich, you can't roast them for that. You can't hate on
हाँ,
someone
bro,
for
like,
being rich. Is
कोई
my
ना, मतलब-
It's
point.
वो तो
That's
primal
stupid.
है भाई. Like
But
you
कोई
just.
कोई नटंकी करती है.
हाँ.
भैया उनको पता है भैया कैसा बोला जाती
हाँ.
है.
Yeah.
But वो ऐसा ही बैंचोद करती है कि I'm from GK1 South
Yeah.
Delhi भैया है ना. जो भी
See,
है.
then you can make fun of those people because
Yeah.
they
Yes.
know it.
Yeah, that's fair. I don't know if they do it on purpose or not, but like entitlement, yeah, that's not a good look.
Yeah,
But
and-
I want to know this. Can y'all like spot a pick me girl? Like, do you know when a girl is being pick me?
What's pick me?
You're looking at one.
I don't even know what that means, but I'm sure बेइज्जती हो गया.
That's so mean.
I'm kidding.
That is so mean.
Is it like a
Come on, the
attention?
joke was right there, bro. I had to like.
I want to know if you. That's so fucked up. Fuck off, Stewie.
माँ चोद दिया भाई. Wait,
You know
give me a
what?
definition
Whatever.
first before you give your
Yeah,
defense.
define a
I
pick
don't
me
know,
girl.
but like girls, some girls who go like there are. By the way, pick me can be boys also.
Clout
I know
chasers?
boys also.
Like, I mean, I
Now
can I can spot one. I'm not gonna be like, oh, it's like you know.
I thought you was gonna say
No.
it. I'm like, we can't do that
I'm
stupidity.
better than that. Okay, no, I'm just saying like just someone who is trying to like who says things on purpose just to like kind of fit in. So like those-
Clout chaser, kind of.
Not a
Not
cloud
really.
chaser.
I'll tell you, like, imagine a girl who just goes like, oh my god, I don't hang out with girls because they're too much drama.
Oh, to fit somebody who tries to
Yeah,
fit into
like,
the
oh, I
group,
only
whatever.
wear
It's like a
sports.
pick me-
What's makeup? I don't need makeup. I don't wear makeup. I only wear lip balm. Like,
Because they feel like that the group they're
Hmm.
with, that's gonna appeal to, basically.
No, so
Kind-
like a
like-
pick me girl will try her best to like
like I don't
seem
like
very
makeup. I play
innocent.
video games.
so that
like, shit
you
like
feel
that.
bad for them and you pick them amongst everyone else. That's the meaning
Feel
of a pick
bad
me
for
girl.
them or like just hate on other girls and
Like they try to put someone else down so that
be more,
they
like,
look better.
of appeal,
and, you know,
yeah.
So
that's what a pick me girl is.
I wanna go on record by
Basically
saying
victim card
fuck
है ना,
that.
like, it's some sort of a-
yeah. So like, do you like? Do you
Yeah.
know? You can pay. What is like the biggest tell that a girl is being pick me? I really want to know
It
this.
actually depends on the situation that you're in.
But it's a turn off.
Of course it is a turn off, because then you can tell that the person is doing their best to try
Yeah.
to, like,
It's
you know,
I
dumb
get
their
such
self
hard
down
second-hand
or whatever.
embarrassment, dude. Like,
I to find it very annoying when they try to dumb themselves down. Like, you're not that dumb, bro.
yeah.
Like, you're smart.
Yeah.
Be
so
smart. No, then show you're
Tell
smart.
me a fact.
Don't be dumb.
चंद्रयान के बारे में पूछना है उसको भाई.
चंद्रयान के बारे में बात करेंगे आज
कुछ
भाई.
मेरे को बताओ कुछ interesting. But
Anything
generally, like-
non-authentic seems bad to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Just be
always
yourself.
try to be authentic.
Yeah,
even though my job is to some degree
Manipulation.
be entertaining,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
is not authentic by nature. But
Yeah.
fear me, I think anything super non-authentic feeling is a turn off. And I mean, I'm married, so I don't even mean turn off that way. Even as a friend,
Yeah.
even in a dude, right? If it feels super non-authentic,
Exactly.
it's like what the
I generally don't know how to recover from the second-hand embarrassment though when someone's being pick me.
But what do you do in such a situation?
I don't know, man. I just need one person to be next to me where I can just go like, did you hear that? What the fuck? I always just need one person and then I'm good. Because then I need to debrief with someone. Just like, what the hell was that?
Yeah, you need to get it out of your system.
Yeah.
basically.
Because this is something I really need to talk about. Because I need to make sure someone else has noticed it and I'm not crazy. You know what I mean? Yeah, that.
could be both though.
What?
Like that they
You-
did notice it, but you're still crazy.
What if the
Yeah.
person
I'm
next to
so
you only has
crazy
done
only,
something
bro.
with me?
From a crazy person, I'm saying. I'm just saying.
One
I'm not,
crazy person
आपका
to
बेइज्जती
another.
मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. As a पागल,
As a
खुद
fellow.
मैं चूतिया हूँ.
Yeah.
As a fellow chutia.
From a चूतिया. No, not fellow. I'm not saying she is. इतना मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. चूतिया perspective से मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
No, I mean, crazy again is subjective.
Sure,
So that's
sure.
that. I don't know, bro. Like, I feel like if the person next to me is being pick me, then I'll just go home.
Mm.
Because then it's like, oh my god, I've come with this person and they'll think
Yeah.
I'm also like this.
Mm.
You know?
Damn. So you'll just leave that.
No,
friend of
I won't
yours.
just be like, okay, listen, bye. I'll just be like, acha, no, my mother is telling me come home.
तो झूठ बोल
You'll
के
be creative about it.
Yeah.
You're an artist.
I love
कल्टी मारने के लिए सबसे बड़े.
I love like saying absurd shit and like leaving places. Sometimes like, you know, I it's my test of creativity.
अच्छा.
मतलब
What's your most
नानी का
creative?
पोता का कुत्ता का बच्चा का मौत हो गया जाना है.
That's not important enough.
What can I do now? if
What
this
can
is
I do?
happening?
जाना ही पड़ेगा.
That's not important
Yeah.
enough, dude. That's like कहाँ का कौन सा ऐसा नहीं. It's just like my leg is hurting. I sprained my leg. Shit like that. You know.
Oh,
Like,
you come up with right in the
Weak.
moment
Yeah.
solutions.
Yeah, I'm feeling like sick.
Hmm.
What are you
हाँ,
feeling?
You gotta
I'm
get more
feeling
creative
sick
with
is
it,
like-
though.
Yeah.
Sick
No.
is such a...
No, I'll tell you what though. You can say you're
Vast
sick.
thing.
You can say you're sick, but then you can also say that, oh my god, my abdomen is hurting.
That is sus. Abdomen is hurting.
हाँ,
is
abdomen
सीधा
If the minute someone says abdomen, you're like...
क्योंकि
Yeah.
मुझे
Extrovert.
खुद नहीं पता कि
Extrovert
abdomen होता कहाँ पे है.
Exactly.
तो I'm
Then,
gonna.
bro, come on. Come on. Fuck off. You know where the abdomen is.
Is
What
it on the
shit?
right or the left?
It's in the middle. It's in the middle.
It's
somewhere.
around.
Right in the
Yeah.
middle.
होता है पेट के पास.
कहीं तो है. बीच में
यहीं
ही.
पे, हाँ.
No, I love.
दिल
And
के
my
नीचे.
favorite is an Irish exit. Just don't tell anyone and leave.
Irish?
Irish
Exit.
exit.
What
It's
is
just
that?
bouncing without
Oh,
telling.
just
you.
Just
dipping.
without
Fuck off.
telling
My
anyone.
No, I
best,
like that. I like
best.
that.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
that only.
Irish exit.
I didn't
Irish
know
exit.
this
you
is a
can
thing.
Irish exit
Yeah.
from like a big group.
That's
you can't.
crazy.
You
Yeah,
can't
if
Irish
you're-
exit from this room right now.
Wait. I've Irish
That'll just
exited
be
on
weird.
one dude before.
On one guy.
One dude.
You saw me. You see me
Oh, dude,
crawling
I think
on
we
the-
Irish exited one dude when we were in Pune. We were drinking. And we were
The
just
Delhi guy?
Yeah, it's
Hey,
fucking-
shout out, bro. Much love.
After you telling him very explicitly that you Irish exit.
Yeah, we
you
did.
take it
Me
on
and
him.
Yugu were so confused with
Yeah.
Delhi से हूँ बहन चौथ क्या हो रहा है यहाँ
Like
पे
if-
पुणे.
That's pick me.
If
But
there
it's
ever
very
was
intense.
a character that fit the bill,
Yeah,
this guy.
yeah.
दिल्ली का लड़का था और था वो दिल्ली का.
And
I
I
saw,
love
I saw,
people
I saw.
from Delhi, but उतना
Relax.
ज्यादा हो गया था कि लग रहा था कि ये नटंकी ये like बकचोदी कर रहा है मेरे
Yeah,
साथ.
yeah.
Like it was too intense, bro.
Yeah.
And I've been around
For
a
no
lot
reason,
of
for
Delhi
no
people
reason.
for no reason.
Yeah.
We're like, bro, we're chilling.
We were just watching the
Yeah.
game.
But
Like,
what was this guy doing to y'all? Like,
नहीं,
बता दे.
नहीं. We were just क्या?
Yeah.
Bata
tell
na,
now,
what did
like,
he do to you?
happened?
He was
Gone
just
war नहीं
fucking
मारा,
with us,
that
bro.
was
He
वो,
was just fucking with us, and
yeah,
we were also
he's-
fucking with him.
Yeah.
But we were just trying to chill and watch the game.
Yeah. And
like
he-
we were just having a few
Okay.
beers and watching the game,
हाँ.
and like एक table था, so he was also there on the same table. So he was just being loud and obnoxious for no reason, bro.
it just seemed like he
But y'all were not hanging out with him.
No, we just
No.
met him there.
he was trying to prove us a point
Yeah.
about
Some people get very like intense and aggressive about their points, so that's true.
हाँ,
yeah,
हाँ.
and
Yeah,
we're
that
just
does
like,
happen.
dude, we're chilling.
Yeah, I'm fucking
Like
drunk,
हो
dude.
सकता है एक दो फूक लिए है ना, हो सकता
हो
नहीं भी
सकता है।
फूक लिए,
ये
but
हो
थे एकदम chill vibe में है
Yeah.
ना, like beer पी रहे थे and yeah, we're just trying to
Yeah, I
don't
hate
know.
those people who like just cling on to you
Oh,
when you're
fucking
out with
those-
your friends or whatever. Like there's no
Yeah.
need to do that.
The fucking leech.
Yeah,
It's the
there's a-
leech, bro.
there's always a leech.
एक कोई तो होता है जो हाँ
एक
bro.
होता है
What's the
भाई।
scene after this, भाई? What's the afters? What's
भाई
the भाई
कुछ है भाई क्या हो रहा है भाई
Thankfully, we're not in those circles.
Yeah.
No, but
Yeah.
I'm sure
We're
there's
not
a
yet
guy.
we're not
those
in those
circles, yeah.
circles but those circles send people out
Yeah,
little
those,
spies
those guys are everywhere. Those guys are
Yeah.
everywhere. थोड़ा.
yeah होता है वो लोग
So then, how do you deal with the leech?
How do you? अच्छा,
I Irish exit that bitch bro I don't give a fuck ठीक है मिलते भाई अभी आ रहे 5 मिनट में है ना
Yeah, you just be like,
I
I'm going to the
actually do
washroom.
that. I'll
Yeah.
just
I say that
scan
I'm
them.
going to the
I
washroom.
And then you
scan
just
them.
leave?
And sometimes these fuckers will follow you, bro. They'll be like,
Yeah.
oh, मेरे को भी जाना है भाई.
Yeah,
अरे
I
नहीं
will.
मुतना है तेरे को. बैठ ना उधर 10 मिनट.
when they realize you ditched them then they kind of feel awkward
Yeah.
and then they usually hang off a little bit
Bro,
Sometimes
it
they
goes
don't get
one
it.
of two
Sometimes
ways.
they don't.
Sometimes they don't fucking get it.
Because the other way is when you come, like, you know, they spot you again, they'll be like, bro, किधर गया था?
हाँ.
I was waiting for you. And then they won't leave your side and then you're fucked.
Because then they
Oh.
realize
Like, then
they're
your
trying
night
to
is
like.
fucked.
Yeah.
it is worse when
This
you're
has happened a lot of times. Out
has
with
happened
you.
way too
It's
many.
very
it's
common.
happened to me
It's a very
yeah
common
it's happened to
It's
me
a very common
yeah.
occurrence.
If you go out, ऐसे लोग होते ही हैं भाई. They
Especially-
don't have. It's kind of sad also, but they don't have the
yeah
friend
Yeah.
group or.
That's crazy.
especially if you're recognizable in any way any fashion
Oh, really?
कोई लोग वो नहीं समझता है कि like you're just a normal person like
Yeah.
you're here with your friends having a normal
Yeah.
night
Yeah.
because obviously they wouldn't do this some people wouldn't do this with other people but वो आपको पहचानता है कोई मतलब कहीं से देखा है then they kind of they idolize you, right? They see you as
Yeah.
something different than just a normal person. In reality, like we all know, like we're just here with our homies doing the same thing they're doing. Like
Yeah.
obviously you wouldn't join in with our homies if you were just a normal dude and I was a normal dude.
Yeah, that's what.
But yeah, like that's a vibe too sometimes where like they don't get it. Like तो भाई आज क्या चल रहा है? I'm like भाई फोटो हो गया अब क्या बताएंगे भाई?
Yeah.
So when you get recognized like in public, like people continue the conversation?
No. 99% of the people I want to say clearly are awesome people. They recognize me. They're great. They're sweet.
Yeah.
We
And then
take
they're like, yeah,
photos,
cool.
Yeah.
hug, whatever, and फिर हम लोग निकलते हैं. But there's just sometimes
Sometimes.
एक बंदा होता है जो
Yeah.
थोड़ा crack, थोड़ा loose
Yeah.
होता है
Yeah.
बेंचों और वो समझता नहीं कि like ये भी इंसान ही है. ये आया अपना लोग के साथ अपना पार्टी
Yeah.
जो भी है करने के लिए. So yeah, bro, like I don't know. There's always that, like you said, there's always that one guy that doesn't
Yup.
get it.
Yeah.
You know, युगु भाई बोलता है
उसको
पर
थोड़ा
बंदी होती तो सही रहता तब तो लीच भाई चूस ले लीच ऑन ब्रो
let the man say whatever he wants, dude. Let him
I
say
think
whatever.
truer
he
words have never been
It's-
spoken.
Like, cut.
Happy birthday, Drew.
Happy birthday, cheers,
Bye
bro.
का birthday.
Happy bye का birthday.
I
मैं
think let's
फिर
go.
बोल गया कि birthday है
We got a
भाई
cake
I
for
think
you,
let's
bro.
go celebrate
We got a
Drew's
cake
birthday
for you.
now.
Yeah, let's
Let's
fucking
end it
cut
on
the
this
cake.
note. You
Yeah,
guys got
of
a
course.
cake?
Yes,
Shit.
Yeah,
bye.
yeah,
Thank
You
you so
ended
much.
it on my worst point, bro.
Yes.
चूस ले भाई ये कौन सा
Let's
Yeah, you
end
know
it
what?
right now.
Let's keep going.
नहीं भाई स्टूवी पूरा साइको मोड में है भाई
Yeah, he is today. Stewie has fucking
I'm
lost
going
it, bro.
feral today.
Bro,
Stewie's
I'm
fucking lost
actually
it.
liking this
Pick
new
me.
thing
Yeah.
you're doing, bro.
Yeah, I think.
The black
Let's-
t-shirt and shit.
It's
Yeah,
got
bro.
me in the
What?
vibe.
We'll talk about this on the members, bro. What's
Yeah.
up with you? Like,
Yeah, I
कुछ तो
think
गड़बड़
let's
है ना
do that.
तेरे
Yeah.
साथ?
एक
We'll
members
talk-
भी
we'll
कर
talk
लेते
about
बाद
it.
में.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But we'll end it on
Yeah.
this. Let's go celebrate
Yeah,
Drew's
dude.
birthday.
Fucking let's
Thank
go.
you so much, brother.
Bro.
Fucking
Bro.
Thank you.
thank you so much for doing it, both of you.
Thanks for calling me and calling me a pick me.
Hey.
It's always fun.
Oh my
Second
God.
That's why
time
we
on
have-
Untriggered,
Second
bro.
and
Read the
eighth,
fucking
भाई.
comments.
Thus, you are the
आपके
Real
सामने
Madrid
में
of
कुछ नहीं हो यार.
Real Madrid of
Autograph एक दे दो बाद में बस. फोटो खिंचवा दो साथ में.
फोटो
ठीक है?
खिंचाएंगे, फोटो
हाँ,
खिंचाएंगे,
फोटो खिंचाएंगे है ना.
बाद
ठीक
में
है.
लिखेंगे ना नीचे, इसको क्यों बुलाते हो बार बार, शीना क्यों आ रही है बार बार, क्या करती है ये, ऐसा ऐसा
मस्ती,
बोलते हैं.
मस्ती.
चोरी करती है, मस्ती करती है, और क्या
Yes.
चाहिए यार.
Amazing.
चलो, yes, thank
Cheers,
you
guys.
Thank you.